open, baby. We are live at the open, baby. Let's see what we got today. Oh, my bad. We are live at the open, baby. Make sure Sherm is unmuted. Yep, he's good. Good morning. Good morning. Dang, is it that bad? Yes, no. Max daily profit? Oh. Oh, shoot. Oh, we know about the curse. We know about the $300 curse. I need that. Well, let's relax. Calm down. Let's look at things objectively here. And then we're gonna get you that $300. We're not gonna don't chase it. It'll come. That's easy, right? That's easy work. I mean, this might be one of them Fridays, all-time high Fridays. Maybe. What you in a position? 300 is nothing to a boss, but it is the curse. The curse of our accounts. Yeah, you're right. You might be right about the supply situation. We had a lot of resistance though at 89, or no, 80, 980 this morning. That's about to, yeah, that's invalidated. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. How many points is that now? 28 points? Oh yeah, I know. Let me get bookmap up. We got news right now. All I saw was PMI when I checked earlier, and a couple other things, but I don't remember the times. What are you, man? Relax, calm down, calm down, relax. You're still high. Obviously, you're still high. Just relax. You got all day to make $300. Like, let's just chill, relax. We know 17 has been that level. 17 has been that psychological level. One of these guys on the other chat says it's a sell trap. Yeah, I don't know.
Absorption sellers and Q.
According to him, yeah, it could be. I mean, the hourly looked like it still could pump long. You know, we just get that initial shock from the open. But the hourly, well, I mean, the 4-hour could flip. 4-hour could flip long here. I mean, it's up 62 points on the 4-hour, 65 now, but is it I mean, it's bounced off the first EMA. Hold on, let me get my other accounts in here. Quick. gotta look at this
Seller sweep and queue.
objectively. It might have been a sell trap. Got your $300. You are so. Yeah, don't be like Sherm here, putting on that heavy size.
Seller sweep and queue. Absorption sellers and queue.
Oh.
Absorption buyers and queue.
Congratulations. that, that was like right before. Yeah, that was like right before. I was like, man, you sure? I'm like, I don't know.
Absorption
This look
buyers
like
and
it's
queue.
something bullish. Then we got. Yeah.
ESH4. Hidden as seller sweep and queue. ESH4. Absorption sellers and queue.
Oh my gosh.
Absorption buyers and queue. Buyers sweep ES4. Buy volume buyers ES. Hit the damn like button. Buyers sweep and queue.
I mean, that was gamble. That was quite a gamble, it sounds like, but.
Absorption buyers and queue.
Y'all can't hear Sherm? Hold on. I got him unmuted though. Can y'all hear him? Hold on, I don't know how long ago. Can y'all hear both of us? Tell that story again.
Absorption buyers and queue. Buyers sweep and queue.
What's going on? Oh, I know why. My bad. My freaking bad. I'm effing up. All right. Hello.
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead. Yeah, my bad, sir. You gotta tell that story again.
Absorption buyers ES.
It's not gonna be as impactful.
Yeah, because I got all the energy
buyers
out.
and queue.
All that energy. He just came down from the. My bad, guys.
Oh, guys. Oh, man. I thought I was going to have to tell y'all a different story this morning. Oh, boy. I thought I was going to have to tell y'all a different story. I thought I was going to have to trade the practice account today because I hit daily loss on it. Oh, boy. I was trading the news, man. I traded it. I don't know why. I just did. And it could have went the other way, but it didn't. I mean, I was talking to Smith. I was like, dude, how did I solve one problem? And now this other problem trying to trade pre-market arises. Like what the hell? Why do I solve one problem and then another problem resurfaces and come back up? So I was trading pre-market. I was short. My short was like maybe 9 or 10 points in profit. And I think I was reshooting for them lows. And I think it was like 2 or 3 minutes before the news was about to come out. And Smith was like, hey, this is looking kind of bullish in his opinion. And I looked at it and I was like, God dang it, he's right. God dang it, he's right. So I had to close my short and flip long and hope That Smith was right. Boy, did that shit work. But I only had like 2 contracts, and it got filled so fast. You know, like when the market is moving really fast, it's like, oh shit, I need to hurry and get back in this. So I got back in with 5 contracts off rip. I got to I think 2 or 3K, and I was like, man, I want that 4,500 now. I want that 4,500. So I put on I put on 5 contracts at first because I thought I was going to break those highs and then come down. But it didn't touch the highs yet, but it did come down. So I'm in drawdown. I'm in drawdown with like 5 or 8 contracts, and I'm sitting there watching my P&L just go down and down, and I'm like, shit, did I just fuck up? You know I'm not closing it. You know I'm not going to close it. I was like, oh man, did I fuck up? But I was like, nah, let me just look at the chart. Let me look at the structure, the analysis, and I was like, you know what? If price gets to this level right here, I know that I'm wrong. I know that I gambled. I was high because I got that initial pump. And I was like, okay. I think price came close to it. I think I was 4 points away from it. And then it pumped up. It pumped up, hit all my damn targets. And after it hit all my targets, I was up, $4,300. And you know, when you're still high, you're going to risk that $4,200 to make that 3 to get that maximum daily profit. But dude, I thought I was gonna have to practice. I thought I was about to trade in my practice account today because it was close. It was really close.
Yeah, that's crazy. That is crazy. Yeah, I didn't touch it.
God,
oh, go ahead.
No, I was like, I just needed an intervention because I guess since I was muted, I was calling the risk managers for help. I was high, and I know I was. After getting all them points with that size, I only needed $300 more.
Yeah.
I was like, dude, I'm about to risk $4,200 to make $300. And in the moment, it just felt so. It's like, dude, just do it. Just do it. Just do it.
Yeah.
Man, psychology, the emotion part of it when you get high, that's what makes trading this instrument hard. That's what makes it hard.
Yeah.
Well, not hard, but challenging.
4 hour just.
But shit, I should
just flip on the signal bullish. I mean, I would hope so. It's up 100 points in 4 hours.
Damn, I should have traded that in my XFA account, man. Now I'm looking at it. But no, I'm not. No.
I didn't execute.
I made 4K yesterday in my XFA. 4 fucking K yesterday, baby. 4K. Remember that I said that there's structure building up right here, and I was like, man, this looks like it was gonna go long.
Yeah.
I got out at 850, and it ran all the way up, and I just looked at it and I said, you know what? I'm just gonna close the charts because if I FOMO into this and I lose the money, I'm just gonna be highly upset. So I just closed my charts and walked away.
Yeah. Well, for me, I didn't take anything. I was watching. I was watching the charts from my phone. I was in the office. I'm like, you still short? I'm like, I don't know where he got in short at.
It was where VWAP was where I got short.
Yeah, and I was like, So if that was like the latter half of that move, once it started climbing back up, and then I'm like, this looks like it's gonna flip bullish, and we got news coming out in like 2 minutes. I'm like, I was just hoping he did the right thing. Either close the position or sweep it. He did the right thing. He flipped bullish.
Buy volume spike.
Yeah.
Spike. Oh shoot. And
I kind of wish I had
I felt like I had missed the position, but I think we could have soared to all-time highs today. Okay.
Dude, we're going to at least. Dude, we're running high today, man.
At least.
And I'm just mad that I'm not gonna. I guess it's gonna sound crazy. I'm mad I hit. This can probably get to 96 at least, and possibly go higher, dude.
Is it crazy?
We can possibly.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. I was just saying, is it crazy that I want to get in at like sub 17 to go long? Do you think we're gonna pull back that deep? I don't think so. I missed the boat. But
Well,
I don't want to get in at
it
the
would be
high.
it'll be safer. It'll be safer for it to break this high at what is it, 57? Wherever that high is. It'll be safer to for a price to break that first, or if you can scout to that price with a tight stop, that's another option. But if you want to go long, you would have to wait for that break and that retest.
Yeah, I created a poll. I couldn't remove the yes and no, so if anybody put yes and no, then y'all are just trolling. I created a poll. We go long or short. Let's see the results. What are the results?
Oh, guess what?
What?
Guess what? You know I went long at open, baby. Prop firms hate this. The secret techniques that gets traders paid out long in the open.
You sound like
You know I went long at
you
open.
sound like an ad. Prop firms hate this.
Prop firms hate
They're
this.
gonna hate me.
You know I went long at open on CL, baby.
On
You know
CL?
I went long at
Oh,
open on CL, baby.
CL.
You know I went long at open, baby.
CL.
Prop firms hate it. They hate it. He said, how the hell did he figure that out? Going long at open.
Bro, CL. And I was.
You know I went long at open, baby.
Yo.
You know I got out almost at the top. I got out, let me look at my orders, my trades. So I got in at open when price was at 73.10, and I rolled this contract all the way to 74.63, baby. 74.63, baby.
CL, man. It's like when I keep my eye on her, it's like, okay, she ain't about nothing right now. But I was looking at it, at night. Like I told you, I was looking at both, and I was thinking to go long CL. I was thinking, but then I was like, nah, I don't F with her right now. Because I was looking for those opportunities of getting in a position, both NQ or CL, whichever one had the better opportunity. I think CL had the better opportunity. Look at this overnight run up. Like, my goodness, to 75, back to 75. We was just at like 71.
70.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
72, 71, flirting with 71. Like,
The crazy thing is, I looked at CL last night before the market closed. Like, for some reason, I turned to the chart as soon as I hit that support. I almost took it in my express. I almost took it. I was like, dude, like, you're not supposed to be trading this account. Like, relax. So I closed it, and then I come back at the end of the day and saw that it pumped, and I was like, man, this is going to continue, man. Like, obviously, I saw something. I just didn't believe in it, and I just went long at open with a 27-point stop on one contract and caught $156 in crude.
yeah.
Now, if I had two contracts, that would only be 2K. I mean, not 2K, 3K. But I had to catch a hold. See, that's the one thing. I might just start actually just hedging in CL and just probably trade the NQ. Because, I mean, it's not good for anything else except to hedge, in my opinion. I mean, unless you trade it with multiple contracts.
Look at, okay, that's true. That's true. Yeah, because you're not going to make no real money unless you 10 contracts and up, baby, on CL.
And you got to hold it for $1. 90 cents to $1.
A 90-cent move. I'm looking at ES.
You had to get in for a 90 cents.
I'm looking at ES right now. Yeah, what's the volume? We need the stats. Looking at SPY. SPY's at 478. The Qs are at 411. Ah, man.
Oh, thank God. That was good. Yeah. Hold on, did we already hit? I was like, are we there? All right, so
relax. This looks like it, man. To me, this looks like it's gonna be one of them days where it just rides up all day. You might get this little pullback here. But we ride the wave, baby.
You know what? Let me look here. Let me look. Let me look. I might just actually just. Yeah, I can see a pullback to at least 1700, 1701 for a bounce because we're at another area of supply right here. So I can probably see this going to at least. Nah. I mean, if the 50 don't pick it up, so let's see. Let's say if it does bounce, but I wouldn't short this because we are still technically trending up. We're still technically trending up, so I would not short this. But
Nah,
whenever the market does decide to short, you know it's going to chop down.
I'm not looking for shorts. I'm looking for longs, baby.
Long, baby.
Longs, baby. But I missed my opportunity at the open to get in down here. I was looking at it. I was actually opening up my other accounts to try to catch it in all of them. Let's put the 1,000 tick up here. Let's put the 2,000 over here so I can see all the different perspectives of the chart. Tell me my story. Tell me a story.
Actually, you know what? I actually might just do it. I'm thinking about it, but I don't know.
Got that.
Cause you know the. Okay. But I will say this, man. This morning I went to my practice account pre-market and I was making all kinds of mistakes. I was making some mistakes that I normally don't even make, and I was like, dude, like, what's going on? You know what? I'm actually gonna stop actually applying for top steps resets, and I'm gonna tell you why. In the back of my mind, there's this constant thought, this constant message that says, damn, you got a free reset. You need to use it. You need to use it. And I'm thinking my self-sabotage program is trying to run so I can blow an account so I can use this reset because I don't want to feel like I wasted it.
Yeah.
And ever since we got that reset on Wednesday, yesterday I was making mistakes. And this morning, thank God I was in my practice account. Thank God. But I was making mistakes. I was making mistakes I don't even normally make. I was just going in with size for no reason because I'm thinking, oh, it's going to retest that high, even though I saw that it was in a downtrend. And I'm like, why am I making these mistakes? Like, what's going on? Like really, like, what was going on? And then in my mind, like in the back of my mind, it's like, dude, we need to use them resets. We need to use it. We need to use it. We need to use it. We don't want to waste it. We don't. So I'm not going to get the fire drills anymore because apparently psychologically that does something. I think it has something to probably do with fear of loss because I guess I'm fearing losing the reset even though I don't need it, but I have it. So I guess my mind feels like I should use it. And I think it's trying to create situations to where I blow an account so I can use it. And I don't understand why. I don't understand why that would make sense for my mind to do. To self-sabotage myself in that way. I almost self-sabotaged myself trading the news this morning. Because I don't even trade pre-market. So I was like, why was I even trading pre-market for?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm not getting any more fire drills. Apparently, my mind wants to use it, and I guess they'll try to use it and try to redeem it by any means necessary, even if it would mean that I have to fail. So I'm not. So psychologically, it seems like this is more of a detriment than a benefit. Is it still pumping?
Well, I'm just looking at the chart. I'm just kind of pulling back right now. Maybe I get my opportunity. I don't know if it's going to, that'd be a whole 40-point drop, though, to get back to 17. And I'm like,
Dude, well, 40
in
points
that.
ain't nothing, though.
I mean,
Ain't nothing, but I know you don't want to miss it either. So, but you know, if it gets to 17, buyers are gonna buy this up. At least the ones that patiently wait, they're gonna buy it up. They're gonna buy it up.
Yeah.
And if that breaks,
Resets.
I mean, oh, go ahead.
No, I'm just looking at the comments. Yeah. You get addicted to putting on these trades. You start putting them on in random places. Be too much in size and all of that. And maybe this is is this the pullback? Is it only gonna give like a 20-point pullback to go up higher? I'll put I don't know.
You do it. I mean, hold on.
Let me see. I'm looking for the
Just
pullback.
look at.
I'm trying to get long, baby. I don't think we get to. Let's see. We got a cross. Yeah, we got the EMA cross. Or that moving average cross down there. I doubt we get this like flushes down to 964 or VWAP is. I highly doubt that. Well, that's on VWAP on 1,000 tick. VWAP on here. Yeah, 2,000. 960. Okay, they're lining up. I think I might have missed my opportunity again. You're right. It is a supply zone up here. There is supply, but it looks like it's trying to. I mean, we hit it in pre-market. We hit that supply zone at 2 a.m. London open. They couldn't crack it, and it dropped. This would be what this is like the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th time. If you're gonna include pre-market, this is the 5th time it's trying to break this range of between 30,
43.
between 30 and 46. Yeah.
Well, if you're looking for a long, it has to break over 48. It has to break over 48 and find support there if this is going to go long.
I mean, this is the 5th, like I said, 5 times at an attempt, even though, I mean, most of it came pre-market London session, but 5 times though, and you couldn't break it, and then now it's kind of struggling now. What does that tell?
Sounds like a bear trap to me.
What does that tell? Is it a bear trap? I do think we crack it, but maybe they get their little revenge here, drop it to my entry of 17 or 1690. That's where I want to go long at. But then I don't want to jump the gun, because what if they try to reach for VWAP? They take it to VWAP. I'm sitting in like 40 points of drawdown.
Yeah, that's why I was like, dude, man, this is gonna be difficult, man. Cause hold on, VWAP's at like what 960, isn't it?
Yeah, 965, 64 ish.
I mean, okay, so, dude, you might get some scalps in this area, but honestly, a better short. I mean, not a better short. A better long would be at 1705. 1705, 17 area. If this is going higher, it would have to find support there. It can't go underneath this low at 970. So from that range of 970, okay, right here. This just look. Let's see if it finds support here.
6 points already. Yeah, that's pretty significant.
But it could be trying to retest that 990, 985 area.
Let me see the daily. I gotta look at I gotta look at all my stuff first. Daily, how we doing on the daily? Okay. Daily, still flipping. Looks to be on the long side of the daily. Is this my opportunity that I was looking for? I mean, I was asking for this. I was asking for it. But now...
Let this candle close, man. Let this candle close. Let this candle close. Let's see what happens, man. Let this candle close.
Yeah. I was asking for this, though. I'm going to set a limit at VWAP.
All right. All right, so 990. This is the area right here. This is the area right here. You need to stay in this area right here.
Instead of taking this 50-point short. Yeah.
Man, I'm not trying to take no 50 points short. We're trying to go long, baby.
Come on.
All right, so I think this is. If it breaks this low, if it breaks it.
VWAP,
Okay.
VWAP,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
VWAP,
All right. VWAP.
VWAP bounce, VWAP bounce. Anybody, VWAP bounce. Or VWAP drop.
Okay. Yep. Nope.
VWAP
Nope.
drop. Oh my gosh, VWAP drop.
All right. So here's another area of support right here. It's retesting this high right here. It's retesting this high. I'm taking this, man.
You taking a long? You logging this?
Yeah. I'm a long one, dude.
I don't know.
But I want to see. Before I long, I want to see some. Yeah, it's retesting. When did this happen? When did this break of structure happen? This is the news break right here. I'm getting in long, dude. With a 27-point stop, baby.
27-point stop, baby.
I'm getting in long. I'm already long.
Yeah.
My stop is underneath this candle.
Oh, it missed. It missed. My precious, it missed. No.
I think this goes higher, man. I think this goes to 1760, baby. Let's go to 1760.
1760. That's funny. Somebody was thinking 1770. Some chat. No. Man, I was asking for 17, 16,990, but we saw what that flush. We saw the flush, so.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I was like, hold on, why is my practice account not working? Oh yeah, I messed that one up in pre-market.
What?
Being foolish.
What happened?
No, I messed my my practice account up in pre-market. So I was like, dude, why is my practice account not working? Pre-market being foolish. Yeah, my stop is underneath this candle. I got my stop at 34, so we'll see. This is the leg that
34.
That pumped the market from the news. Yeah, it's at 39. So I might have gotten early on this one. I'm probably scaling at 39 if it gets to it. Okay, I'm gonna scale it right here. Yeah. And I'm gonna actually put my stop at 29. Put my stop at 29. I'm in 2 contracts right now. 2 contracts. My stop's at 29. Actually, let me record this. I'm gonna record managing this position. You in this long with me, baby?
I am. Let's ride it back up to new highs, baby. Let's ride it back up to new highs, my boy. All right, 62 points. Let's ride it.
Yeah, I think this goes.
Highs, baby.
I think this goes, baby. I think it goes.
VWAP. Yeah, that's me. Come on. You got to break VWAP. Don't deny it. Don't reject it. Don't reject it here. Don't you do that. VWAP. Yeah, that's me.
Actually, I'm gonna add one right here. I'm adding right here.
Point of control got to 50. 50. VWAP. Yeah, that's me. Oh no, I'm shorting. I'm longing this 15-minute bearishness and the 5-minute. Kind of make me nervous on these smaller time frames. VWAP. Yeah, that's me.
All right, man. We'll see. Because no, it's not gonna stay. This gonna work out. But
it's gonna work out. We got 15 seconds. Do we have any news that we're fighting against? That's what I meant to check. My bad.
All right, let me check it for you. I know you're in a position. No. I mean, We already have PPI. I don't know who Neil Cash Carl is. I don't know who that is. Says economic speech event tracks upcoming appearance by Federal Reserve policymakers. Okay. Whatever the hell that means. But the NQ was nasty yesterday, man. She was nasty, stopping me out of that winning position and then going up higher. She was so nasty yesterday afternoon.
Nasty work. Nasty Nas. Nasty Nas. Hey, let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm only in 2 on this account that y'all see. But in this other one, yeah, it's all over the place. It's all over the place. Invalidated. Invalidated and pump. Invalidate these shorts and pump, baby.
Yeah, this position's good. This position's good. I'm 80% sure it's good.
Yeah, 4 hourly flip flop. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
Damn. Damn.
No, baby. You can have a baby. 60.
Who in the chat caught that long? Who in the chat caught it long, baby? Who in the chat catching it long with us, baby? Who's in the chat catching it long with us, baby?
Oh, y'all can't hear. See, that's the thing. Hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some pimping in it. Alright, that better? Whoa, that might be too strong. I turned the gain up on my mic. I'm gonna look at that $50 mic you sent me.
It's good, man.
Shoot. That's
good.
Yeti.
It's good. I think it came the same day. I ordered it early in the morning and it came the same day.
Really?
Like, okay, so let me talk about Amazon. Yo. So the building I live in, it has like a code that you have to put in and stuff like that. But it's open during the day for deliveries and stuff like that. Man, whoever the damn driver was talking about all was locked, so they couldn't get in. Amazon support up real quick, and I was like, man, if y'all don't deliver my goddamn mic, I need it for the risk managers, goddammit. I need it for the risk managers. It was like, oh shit, for the risk managers, we'll get on that. And when I say it was delivered that same day, when the doors was locked, so I was like, dude, he just didn't probably want to deliver my damn package. Bastard.
I need it for the risk managers, baby. Let's go. Who caught that long with us? Who wasn't afraid of them shorts? Who wasn't afraid? No fear, baby. Who wasn't afraid? I ain't afraid of no shorts. I ain't afraid of no shorts.
Who caught them longs with us, baby? Who caught it? We caught it at the bottom, baby. Who caught it with us?
Who caught the longs, baby? Let's go. We ain't afraid of no shorts. We ain't afraid of no shorts. Oh, I wanted to limit in one more down here, though.
Yeah, me too, man. Like, I'm kind of mad.
Yeah, I wanted one more limit near the bottom, but it never hit. It never hit.
Boy, this is a beautiful trade right here, baby. This is a beautiful trade right here. This is how you trade, baby.
It's a beautiful
how you
thing.
Trade.
All right, I'm in 1 on the rest. They might give us some resistance there because it's 17. It's the psychological area. Man, crack 17. Take it up. All right, I'm
what the hell? What's going on?
Not on that one. I'm out.
You know what? I might actually just add right here, dude.
I'm out on that one. And...
Yeah, actually, what I should do is I should probably wait for 21 EMA test.
All right, I'm out on that one too. Let's go.
Yeah, congratulations. Who caught that long with us?
Who caught the longs with us? We're not afraid of those shorts. Let's go, baby. Muhammad caught the long with us, baby. We not afraid of no shorts. Let's go.
That's what we talking about, baby. When we on point like this, baby, that's what we get. Now, I was telling Smith yesterday, I was like, man, boy, freaking news, man. News. But I did have a feeling that this was going to happen, though. I did have a feeling. Actually, let's look at the SPY sweeps. I mean, obviously, they're sweeping NVIDIA calls like always. Hey, Smith, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, okay, I was like, dude, that sounds really quiet.
Not afraid of no shorts, baby. Caught that bottom like, oh. Let's go.
How many you get in with?
I was only, so on the one on stream, I was only in on 3. But on these other ones, I was in like, well, another one I was in on 3 on my other account, and then the other one I was in 4. I had better limit. Because I was trying to, it's tricky when you try to limit in on all of these things. Limit in on all of these, like, yo. So I had an average entry of about 960. 960, baby! 960, baby! Called that 2 days ago. 960.
Are we at 960?
No, that's where I was. That's where I got in. My average was 960. We're at. It's dropping now. Sheesh. Good thing I got out.
Yeah. Man, okay, no real drop.
Oh, Muhammad caught that long before PPI. Nice work. Yeah, I was still in bed, but I was messaging Sherman. I was like, "You short?" I'm like, "Hey, dude, this looks like it's about to flip long. You need to either close out or reverse, or just close out completely for the news." And I didn't hear nothing from him. So he was like, and then he gets on stream and said, "Yeah, I flipped long. Good. I'm glad.
Oh yeah, I flipped long, baby.
All right, yeah. We all out of that. I don't know how many points that was, but that was decent work. 2K. That might just be it for me. I gotta secure this payout, baby. It's day 5 on this account. 11K. And that's after coming back from being down, 2,600 in the red, in the negative. Now we up 11K, baby. In 7 minutes. 2K in 7 minutes on 3 trades. That's efficient. $12 in commissions and fees. That's efficient. Let's go. Oh, but look at that short. Ugh. Nasty.
Dude, this is a reset right here, baby.
Yeah, nasty work.
Reset.
Hourly, don't you flip. Don't you flip short, Hourly. I was saying you look like you're gonna keep pumping. Now don't you flip. Don't do it. Alright, that was 2K. I think I made a little bit more in this account because I had better. Almost 3, yeah. Almost 3 in this one because I had better position. Sizing. Sheesh. Let's get a bag secured for the chat, baby. Everybody who rode them longs with us. Bag secured. Ladies and gents.
Hey, we made $10 million. It's not even lunch yet. Not even lunch yet.
I was waiting on my entry. Can you imagine if I took the long at 17?
Yeah. Yeah, good thing we was here to talk to you about it.
Yeah. Well, when you said let the candle close, I was like, okay. Yeah, you're right. Let's see what happens. Let's let it close. Then it start flushing. That would have been a nice short though.
Oh yeah, it
Goodness.
definitely would have.
Ninth or 1742 or 40s all the way down to almost 100 points. What? That was
I
a
mean, it was a
100
heavy
point.
supply.
That was a 100 point move. Sheesh. That was a hundred
Man,
point
dude,
move from top to bottom of that. Yo.
your your balls would have to be made of steel to take that though.
But no, you said it was supply. I saw supply. I saw the same thing. But like you said,
But
they
we didn't
had
know how long. We didn't know it was gonna do all that though.
I didn't know if it was gonna hold though. I thought they were gonna break through it. But like I said, like I mentioned earlier, they attempted it five. That was the fifth time that they attempted to try to crack it, if you include in pre-market, and they could not crack it. So that tells you a story right there, a potential story. And like you said, this could be the retest. We get this
Go
bounce
higher,
momentum.
baby. You know I scaled into this, baby.
Oh, you hop back in?
You know I scaled into it. Oh, hell
hop
yeah.
back in?
Dude. No more doubting market structure. We trading it, baby. Now I did doubt that supply area. Honestly, I wouldn't have took it. I wouldn't have took it.
I did doubt that.
Not with all this bullish momentum. But obviously, in hindsight, see, I mean, that's what I'm talking about. Even during all this bullish momentum, all it did was run to that supply area, and the NQ acted as she should have and dumped at supply.
She should have. She was a good girl. She actually listened and did what she's supposed to do.
And supply and drop that supply instead of playing around, pumping and dumping, and then to shake everybody out. But I like, dude, yeah, I guess. I mean, all the buyers that was in that position, yeah, they got stopped out. They got stopped out of that. And they're probably pissed. I mean, wouldn't you be pissed?
Yeah.
You FOMO'd into that long just to become liquidity. Yeah. And you say you wouldn't do this to yourself, and you find yourself in an NA meeting talking about, I did it again.
Did it again.
I saw the breakout and I FOMO'd into it.
Did it again.
My name is Blow It Up Bob. Hey, Blow It Up Bob. I saw the breaker structure and I FOMO'd in and it became liquidity again.
Hey, Blow It Up Bob.
Thanks for sharing. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for sharing.
Oh. Price, what did you doing right now, baby? What did you doing?
Ooh.
Thanks for sharing.
NA meeting, baby. Oh yeah. When I checked, we was at 200K in daily volume right now. I'm pretty sure it's been up since then. I mean, I don't know what. I don't believe it. This looks like a double bottom. Head and shoulders, actually.
Oh, head, shoulders.
You see it on the dozen chick?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it has to hold this. It has to hold this shoulder.
Yeah. Yeah. You're right. Oh, you're right. I just saw it too late. Last second. I saw it at the last second. They're gonna try to take out that news pump. They're gonna try to take out the news pump. I think they're gonna try to take out the news pump. Dang it.
I don't think they can. Oh no, you short this?
No, I didn't short this. I longed it. They're gonna try to take out the news pump. Watch they take it down to 30. You have to hold that 34 area that you were talking about and bounce there at 34. Hourly, how could you? How could you, hourly? How could you, hourly? Look at bookmap. I'm tripping right now.
Oh shit! I only got book. Oh crap! I'm tripping. I don't even got bookmap open.
Oh, you got
I just
bookmap.
noticed that. I don't got bookmap open.
That's
What am I doing?
Point of control VWAP, of course. Of
All right,
course.
man.
Of
All right.
course.
All
Of
right.
course.
All
Of
right.
course.
All right. I'm tripping, man. I'm tripping. I mean, right now we're in a sea of liquidity. I don't see this. I'm probably gonna take this. Yeah, I'm probably gonna take this again. I think I'm gonna take this. I have to protect my games. I stopped out of that position. I don't know. And boy, is the NQ100 one hell of a drug. All right, so this is the first leg. So let me see something real quick. Let me look at this because that was the first leg.
Mm-hmm.
That was the first leg, dude. I don't think do we? So
What you thinking? I might not even get those back. I might not even get those targets back though. Cause look at it flipping. Look at this flipping over.
did you just look short?
Unless we break here, I'm never short. I'm long, baby. I'm long. Long.
I think it flipped here, dude.
It gotta flip here. Otherwise, it's going lower. It's gotta
Yeah,
flip.
yeah, that's definitely yeah.
It's
Yeah,
gotta
you're
flip here
absolutely right.
now.
Yeah, okay, yeah, okay. I think yeah. Because I mean, I don't see why it would need to retest that break of structure at 929. I don't see why. I
But
mean, unless we're trending down. Unless that was heavier supply than what we thought.
right.
At the, cause you just said that
He's like, I'm gonna give you break even, baby. I'm gonna give it to you. You had your chance. I got you $1. Got you $1. Gotta be quicker than that. Gotta be quicker than that.
Interesting question.
yeah. I mean, see, this is the one thing about NQ. You get caught up in her bullshit, you just stop trading and you just start gambling. You just disregard everything. You disregard the market structure. You just like, yeah, nah. We start to gamble, baby. I mean, where's your stop at? Well, how big of a size do you have?
4.
I mean, you probably wouldn't be able to survive that.
Nah,
You probably wouldn't be able to
there's no
survive that.
surviving. There's no surviving. It's gotta pop. We gotta pop here.
Well, don't let price get below that low, man. If it gets below that low, man, it's gonna probably flush. But
Don't flush. Give me that pop, baby. Ah, shoot, it's continuation down on 1,000. It's not looking pretty.
yeah, we are trending down,
It's
dude.
not
We're
looking
trending
pretty.
down.
Let me see. Let me check my
But I mean,
time frames.
your position may be good. It may be good. It may be good here. Is it double bottom? Yeah, this might be good. Yeah, you might be good in this position because it took out that supply. It took out. I think your position is good. I think it's good. Yeah, I think it's good, dude. You should be good.
I'm giving you break even. I'm giving it to you. It gotta pop break VWAP though. Gotta break VWAP.
Yeah, you know that.
I'm giving it to you. What are you doing? Giving you break even. I'm giving it to you. You gotta pop, baby. You gotta pop. You gotta pop. Cause that leg down, this leg up is not even looking okay. It's not looking strong though. It's not looking
And
strong.
how else you gonna get people to sell this so you can just stop every quick? How else you gonna do it?
You gotta get. It's like, hey, I gave you $400. What are you doing? I gave it to you. You had it right there. It was in your grasp. I know, baby, I know. But I want more. I want my
I want it all,
targets.
baby.
I want my targets, baby. You know how I do. I want my targets, love. I want my targets, love. I want my targets. What was it 980? We had that rejection at 980 in pre-market. They better not be baby.
Come on.
Baby, please. Baby, please. I'll put a hard stop right here.
Yeah.
And stop me out if you want. I don't care. I don't care.
I mean,
I don't even
the
care if you
the
want
candidate
to.
this one just got underneath the 553. I mean, well, you got 4 contracts on. My bad.
No, I took it out. Even though I do have a feeling that it's gonna go long or still pump, but I don't
You gotta
want to
protect
play
the games.
Yeah, I gotta protect the games. I don't want to play around with VWAP either. I don't want to play around with VWAP.
You don't want to fight VWAP?
I don't want to fight VWAP, and I don't want her winning. I'm tired of fighting. I'm tired. Tired of fighting you.
VWAP has beaten you into submission.
Yeah, VWAP done kicked my butt so many times. I'm tired of fighting you, VWAP. I'll take that. I'll take this little small
I'll
loss.
fight the 21 moving average, even though I know what it's used for.
I took the small loss. I took it to the chin. But yeah, I think I should call it. I think I should call it. I think I should call it a day. All right, let's look at the risk managers in the chat. Whoo, short NQ. He's short at 983. Nice short. Ooh. All out of the short. Options are stacked on both sides. Money managers stacking between market makers.
Oh crap! I still don't even got the damn. I still don't even got it open. I'm tripping, man. I am tripping. I do not have bookmap open. I don't know what the hell is wrong with me today.
Yeah.
Making all these small stupid mistakes. What's up with that?
Yeah, I mean, I could have got out at the top and like, but I remember from pre-market. That's why I like watching pre-market. Sometimes I'll hop in a trade, but I like watching it because that 980 was a pre-market tells a story, and 980 was what happened. We rejected 980. Even though it didn't get to 980 on this run up here, but I'm saying like this area was a lot of resistance and rejection. I mean, look, if you look left right here, boom, boom, rejected, boom, rejected, and then it finally broke out. But yeah. No, Cass, no.
What happened?
She blew her PA account. No.
Damn, that's unfortunate. Tell us what happened. What did you do wrong?
Muhammad said, "Hold it a little bit longer." Like, okay, well done, well done. Appreciate that, man. I had to protect the gains. Plus, it's payout day today, or payout request day, for my top step in this account. You know, I'm taking half out, baby. I'm taking 50%.
Got you.
I'm taking 6K, baby. I'm taking 6K. I'm taking 6K though. Yeah, trading when you're tired is I know all about that, trust me. You can't really think, you don't think as clear as you normally do. And yeah. That's why I had to take time out of trading pre-market because you have to babysit that mess. If you don't get in a good position, you gotta sit there and babysit it. And I'm like, I'm not trying to do that all night. I'm not trying to stay up all night. I usually try to come in around London session. because that's what really moves and shakes things. But nah, if I'm up and I see an opportunity, then yeah, I'll hop on it. But yeah, lately it's just been. And here it's only 9:30, and we're dealing with this nonsense right now.
Sure, you think you're trading the fucking ES right now, man? You had to look twice at the charts.
Speaking of which, wait, hold up. Oh my gosh, CL, weren't you just at 74, 75?
Dang, it dropped like that.
Look at the dump on CL.
uh,
It's a continuation from pre-market. Yeah. It topped out at like 75.
yeah, damn, that shit's still going too.
75.
Man.
No, 75.25. It topped out at, and then it just dropped from 540. You got in that short. Goodness.
All right, let's see what happens, man. Let's see. I'm still in this trade long, man. I'm
Now you
still
wanna,
long at 58.
now you want to pop? Oh, good on you, Sherm. I was my entry was like 61, like right above just.
Well, I mean, you might have more risk. See,
yeah, I did have.
I mean,
more
that's
risk.
just the benefit of having less contracts at first.
Yeah.
Because you can take the drawdown.
Yeah.
But then it sucks because if I hold like small, if I have the size like Smith, then my tour.
You've been sweating.
I have the profits too. Like I said, man, I gotta figure this out, man. I gotta figure it out. I know how to trade. I just have to have the balls to steal like Smith got and put on 10 contracts and just look at it. Well, yeah, I mean, in hindsight, yeah. I mean, it doesn't feel that way. Like when you look at the charts and be like, oh, damn, look at that support. Look at this. Look at that head and shoulders pattern. Look at that two-legged pullback. You see all that? Oh, in hindsight, but in the real time, when it was doing all this, man, it looked like this shit was going lower. But I got my first target at 1702, and I got my runner target at 1730. I think we break these highs, man.
Was the GOAT. He crushed pre-market, yo. The GOAT. You know I gotta throw it in there. Yeah, that's why I stayed away from the news, y'all. You'd be proud of me. But even though, well, I was doing some things, so I couldn't get in the office to trade it anyway. But Sherm was in it. He was short. Pre-news release, he was short. I was like, bro, it's like 2 minutes before the release is about to happen. I was like, bro, this looks like it's about to flip long, and we got news. Get out of that short. Get out of that short. Get out of that short, man. Like, get out of that short. And then he was like, I didn't hear nothing he went radio silent. I didn't hear nothing from him. I was like, oh shoot. Please tell me. I hope he did the right thing. And he gets on stream. I need an intervention. I was like, what happened? Please tell me. He's like, no. I'm almost at the daily my daily profit target. I was like, oh thank goodness. Alright. You had to flip long then.
Oh yeah, I flipped long, baby. I had to close my short out, and I was reluctant at first, but then I saw the double bottom. I was like, man, Smith, right, man. Let me get out of this. That's what I need to fix.
Yeah.
That is exactly what I need to fix. My stubbornness.
Yeah.
That's what I have to fix. That's what I'm gonna continue to work on. But man, I looked at it. And Smith saved me today. I had to give it to Smith. He saved me today because I was like, man, I want my damn target.
Hey.
This needs to go short and retest that bottom.
Hey, it comes back full circle because remember I said, y'all, you can go back and rewind the stream. I was like, I'm looking for a pullback to get in long around 17, maybe 1690. And look at this flush. This was pre this. This was like right around here. I was like, okay, we tapped 17. We tapped 1690. Should I get in long? If I would have went long there, look at all that drawdown I would have ate. That would I'd be like, yo. He's like, wait, let the candle close. I'm like, you know what? You right. and it closed down here. I'm like, I'm not taking the long right here. Not yet. It ain't done yet. I mean, I wish I would have got the short, but for some reason, I'm like, I want longs today, baby. I want longs. So we come in here. You know, we ain't afraid of no ghosts. We come in here, take this long up, get out, thankfully, because it got flushed again. And then I scaled in long again on the flush, but I had heavier size, so I'm like, you know what? Let's not even play around. The price is starting to slow down for some reason right now. Let's just get out. I cut it to protect the gains. And though in hindsight it pops up more, that would have been freaking great. But it is what it is. Took a small loss on one contract, about $200, 220, and then rode the rest. Dang, man. News can be a gamble, yo.
Yeah. Honestly, sometimes I look at the chart and then sometimes I look at my performance and I wonder like what possesses me to not get in at the right spots sometimes. Like when the market is news on news days and when it's volatile. Like what am I really looking for? It's like, am I just behaving impulsively?
Yeah.
Or if I'm just trying to like am I just high and I'm just trying to get that next target, get that next, you know what? That's actually probably what it is, just talking about it out loud and listening to myself. Becomes addictive getting that next target. It's like, damn, you got a target, baby? You got a target, baby? Do you got it?
Yeah.
I need my target hit, baby.
The targets can blind you, yo. They can. Because you want your target, you want your analysis to be right. I need my target, baby. All right, my man JC is long as 65. That's basically VWAP. Okay. You check Bookmap real quick. It's being real shady around this 980 area. The 980s, man. It's like they're trying to defend, the Bears trying to defend that.
And the Bears just need to accept that this is a bull market and get the hell out of the way.
Get out of the way. I'm a bullish bear. Jace, sure. Hey, sure. JC said you describing him to the T, an impulsive trader, and I have no issues risking it. You gotta risk it for the biscuit, baby. You know. Sometimes you do. Sometimes there's a time and place for everything. Where you gotta risk it for the biscuit. Let me look at the 4 hourly, yo. I think longs are good. I really do. It's being shady right now, but I think I'm looking at the 4 hour. What's up?
I think I would agree. I would agree with you. Well, okay, so now that I'm looking at the structure, it did rebalance at this area, and that's something else I have to work on. Dude, the NQ will blind you, and it will make you think it doesn't follow market structure, but it does. It swept them highs and it flushed. But I think if it finds supports here, then it's going higher. If it finds support here. But yeah, baby. Yeah, man, them targets, man, on the NQ, you put a limit on, you don't care where you put it at sometimes. He's like, dude, I just want to get this hit. And then when you get a hit, it's like, damn, I should have put 10 more on that bad boy. Like, it's that psychology. I don't know what the NQ is and what she does. Such a temptress. The best drug in the world. But we love her anyway.
Ain't got nothing on this.
Nope. So you sniff cocaine? Yeah, you want to wake up, beat 10,000 points and draw down on the NQ.
Yo, remember I told y'all that pre-market story that when I was trading that made me get out of the bed? I was watching it from my phone, and I had to get out of the bed and come in the office to manage my trade. I was like, oh, shoot. Let me get in there, because if this goes lower, I was long. I'm like, if this goes any lower, I'm closing it. But London came in and saved my life. I'm like, yo.
Thank God, London.
Thank you, London.
Because London could have easily continued.
Yeah, they could have. They could have. Oh, Muhammad's short 980. That is a beautiful entry, yo. Look at that. That's why you the GOAT, baby. I'm telling you. 980. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying it. I'm talking about it. Muhammad's being about it.
I don't know,
Hey,
man. It has to break this low.
yeah, we gotta
I
break.
don't know.
I mean, even still, he up 20 points if he hasn't cashed out yet, and he
We don't take 20 points around here.
got down to 30 points. What's the minimum points you
Wait, I just
taking? You said we don't do 20 points around.
we don't do 20 points around here.
I'll take what I
But
can
that's a
get,
scout.
baby.
That's a scout, baby.
All right, y'all.
20
To
points
show
is a
y'all,
scout.
look. I take the same trades, roughly. This one was a little bit harder to do because, yeah, this is this other account. What's that? Okay, yeah, that's something. It's the other account. Took the same trades, baby. Same trades. But I don't like the structure. Looking at this, it looks like it's trying to push down now. Now it's trying to make me flip
Yeah.
bearish. It's kind of making me flip
Yeah.
bearish, but I don't know. We held
It
that
does
golden
look bearish,
fib.
though.
Yeah, we held this golden fib down here at 9. Bro, didn't you say 934? Has to hold. I think they got down to 35 and bounced up for that long.
Oh, really? Man, this microstructure don't lie, man. The only thing that be lying is our feelings.
Yeah,
It don't lie, dude.
we do ourselves
Probably
in
not.
all our emotions and yeah, the psychology.
Yeah, because this morning, oh, my bad, go ahead.
I was just saying the psychology of it all just messes us
Yeah,
up.
I agree with you, man. Yeah, because like I said, man, I was up, before I was up 4,500, I was up 2K. And because it had so much size on, and I let it go in a drawdown because I'm thinking, oh, I mean, I'll just let some of my profits, you know, hold me up. Dude, I was so close, man. I was so close. I was like, well, I mean, I was going to have to tell the risk managers that I messed up today. I was going to have to put a red day on the calendar today. I was like, I was already accepting it. But the NQ wasn't, she wasn't as devious to me today. Because, I mean, I think I would have been disappointed because I was up. I was up.
Yeah.
I know I was high, but dude, I was up. I could have took that 2K and just reposition, because if I took the 2K and reposition, it would have been I would have made more money and it would have been easier. But I did it the hard way. I held during drawdown because I'm sitting here thinking that it's not going to do what it's not going to do, what it's not supposed to do. Pump up after it just tapped into supply, like. So I took all that drawdown. Good thing I had the profits from the news earlier, because that's what really saved the account. If I didn't have any profits, then that would have been DLL and a red day on my calendar.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like yesterday was almost a red day. I was up, like I almost hit daily loss on me yesterday.
Yeah, we don't like
trying to fight that trend.
We don't like them red days on the calendar. Oh, look at it, flush. It's flushing now.
Is it?
It's flushing now. Ooh. Yeah, the structure. Once I looked at the structure, I was like, I'm starting to flip bearish on this. But let's see. They probably want to take out the news pump, I think. They want to get it probably down to the low 900s. Maybe get a bounce at 910. Maybe. I mean, they broke all the, well, getting buyback off of the 50 here. Where's the 200? Okay. Oh, yeah. The 50 is about to cross the 200 on this 5-minute chart. So that could
Worry about that.
That could be a saving grace. 35, the same spot from earlier. 35.
Dude, that's a hold.
Are you
serious?
serious?
35 has a hold, dude.
That's crazy. We back in the 60s. It just bounced 30 points. Yo.
Hey, man, this structure don't lie, baby. It don't lie, baby.
Yo.
Dude, it don't lie, dude. If it broke it and closed beneath it, then okay, yeah, I'll flip bearish. But nah, baby, like, dude, you're not gonna get a news pump like that, and it turns bearish. You're just not.
Well, I've seen in the past, the past doesn't, whatever that saying is, doesn't I mean, it's going to be future results or whatever to say. But I've seen in the past where they come back and take out a news pump, and then once they hit that, the base area of the news pump where it started the pump, then they take it back up.
Mm-hmm.
Then they'd be like, okay, yeah, we can buy here.
You already bought there.
Yeah, we bought there before. We can buy here again. And fake everybody out and stuff. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You need them bear stops to go bullish. You need them bull stops to go bearish.
Yeah. I'm starting to think Muhammad is a secret market maker. He over You a market maker, bro.
He's like, hold up, man. They calling out levels. We gotta make sure they're not insider traders or something. We get out the secret.
How's Nancy's Nvidia pump going? The greatest political investor of all time. Let's look at some of the stocks right now.
Man, if I was trading Nvidia, if I bought stocks or traded options, I would have took that position right along with them.
Yep. I'm like, oh, she in? Okay. We in. Is she in? We in, baby.
She put her money where her mouth is. So shit. And that was like a whole year. I mean, what is that like? Well, I think it was 55, so I've been like $550. I would have bought one. And held them up. And then shit, cash that on this pump that we just got out of nowhere. Well, it's not out of nowhere, but shit.
She knew. Yeah, she knows.
She bought deep in the money. Yeah, she bought deep in the money. Deep in the money leaked. So she had time on it.
Yeah. Yeah. So
now just imagine if you bought like a month in advance. Shoot, all that money that would have been made.
Yeah, yeah.
Or if they expired in February instead of going all the way through to December. You know, no, I might actually start doing that, man. If Nancy Pelosi has faith in a position in options, I might crack open my option broker and actually take a position.
Take a position.
I'm going along with her, dude. Any random play that you, oh yeah, I'm taking this too. So we taking it.
Practice account, and it sucks when you switch to the practice account and you start making money. Like, dang, how come I couldn't just execute this in the account that matters? But
because psychology is going on, man. Yeah. Psychology ain't there no more.
Yeah, yeah. But this look.
That's the mental gym.
Yeah, this. Go ahead, man. I'm just looking at this. It just looks iffy to me, like it wants to continue down. Like it wants to continue down.
So the Bears are obviously selling it off of VWAP, the 50, the 200, and did I say VWAP? So all the EMAs and VWAPs is trying to push this shit down. If they can't get it to push down here, then this ain't going down. Because you got all the VWAPs pushing price down right now. They all kissing each other. Yeah. They're all having an orgy right now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, all these EMAs and VWAP is like right there. And then, yeah, I think it's heading lower, dude. I think it breaks 34, 35. I think so.
Now, if it doesn't, then we know it's going high.
Yeah, but look at all this. Look how tight these candles are. It's like consolidation, basically. They're tight, big range candles. Like, I don't like that, but I think it. Hourly, you lied to me. I said you were going up, but now I'm flipping. My bias to the short side now. How low can you go? I don't know, but like I said, I'm maybe low 900s. Maybe we get a bounce here between 910, 900. Because they were trying to crack it. They cracked 35 to go a couple points lower, but.
Okay. Let's see what it does in this area right here. Because this is actually the brick structure right here in this area.
Yep.
So let's see what they do. They probably might just flush it real quick and then probably get bought up. I don't fight the trend. I just kind of trade a lot.
Yeah.
Man, that's just so hard, dude. I'm not gonna lie. That is like the hardest thing to do. The hardest thing to do. Okay. Yeah, that's like the hardest thing to do. I was telling Smith earlier today that, you know, sometimes trading with the trend, it feels so abnormal to me.
Yeah.
I'll trade in the momentum, but I don't like trading with the trend. When it's slow and choppy like this,
Yeah.
I don't like trading it.
I
I'd rather
mean,
counter trend.
who wants to deal with this though? You know what I mean? Like, nobody wants to sit here and deal with this. These candles got a lot of people effed up, myself kind of included. Like, this area in here messed up a lot of people. This is messy. It's not clean at all. It's not a clean move down.
Hmm.
Like this was a clean move up. This is pretty clean. Um, Obviously it's pre-market though, but this is a pretty clean standard move up. This is nasty work right here. I'm surprised. Well, not surprised, but I'm just glad we got it to play out. Cause, and then I was size too. I had size on, so yeah. Oh shoot, he got his revenge. You messed up yesterday, but got your revenge. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, here it goes. Flush the toilet. They want to take. I think they want to take out this news pump at least, and really the buyers might really start coming in down here. Let's look at Bookmap. Maybe the buyers come in down here, or maybe the between the 90s and 80s. But then at that point, you approaching lows, man. You approaching them lows of the day or pre-market. Let me check.
Yeah, that's why.
Got the WASD.
I mean, being on the right side of this market with this slow grind down, that's agonizing, dude.
Yeah, it's not fun. It is not
I
fun.
mean, I guess if you're short at 80,
yeah, you shorted at 980.
you have 70 points.
You good. Muhammad took that short at 980. He cut 60%, I think, at 950 though. And yeah.
Yeah, look at that, dude. Look at that.
You're approaching the golden fib here. Let's see if it holds this bounce or if they crack it. We already cracked it on the 2000 tick, and I'm pretty sure we cracked it, or we're coming into it on the 1000 tick. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if they hold this.
Where's your golden fibs at?
Between 9, 10, and like 14, 15. It's only like, it's usually like a 5-point range, but can they defend it? Can they hold it? I think they're gonna crash through, honestly.
You think so?
We'll see. We'll see. I think so. we were bullish earlier, and then it just flipped on us. So that's why you gotta be, what's the word? Adaptable. You gotta adapt. You have to adapt. That's why. I mean, they say it's not good to have your biases, but what else are you gonna have to take a position, right?
Mhm.
Like I don't get that. Like, I guess, I guess what they mean by that is don't be married to your bias. Yeah, that's a better way of saying it. Don't be married to your bias. Be adaptable, because obviously structure broke and it's changed. Um, are they defending it though? They defending? Look at the bounce, or is it a fake out? Pull back to go lower. They held it down though. They held it down.
I mean, I can see it go long in this area. I can see it go long.
I can see it, but I'm done for the day, y'all. I mean,
Oh
it's
yeah, me too. Me too.
yeah,
I'm done. I already hit maximum daily profit, so I couldn't do
2600.
anything anyway.
Yeah, 2600 profit. You trading the eval?
Yeah, I'm not trying. I'm not. I locked my XFA yesterday. I locked it.
Yeah, I made
Yeah,
3500 in that account. Oh, you locked it?
no, I locked it. Yeah, because I wasn't supposed to trade it, man. Like I gotta get shit. But like I said, I want to be true to this, but yesterday I was like, man, this is such a good setup. I'm not gonna let this go.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, I made 4K, but I told myself that I was not going to trade it. So yesterday, before the end of the day, because after I made the 4 trade, I got high again. I was looking for more trades to take, and if I lost any being high, I was going to try to get that back by any means possible, especially with 4K of profit.
Yeah.
So you know how that goes. So I just locked it at the end of the day because I was like, dude, he wasn't supposed to do that.
Mm. Yeah, something to think
Wasn't
about.
supposed to do it. He's all right.
So I just say, yeah, that's something to think about. Go back in your journal.
I write in that journal every day, man. Like I just want to. I know that the journal works, but I don't know what it is. Just like I said, I think it's that reset. I think my mind is trying to use that reset. Like I really think so. I mean, obviously you can't use it on the XFA, but obviously logic doesn't matter to emotions. It's oh man, you got that reset. It's just sitting there in your email, and you got until next Wednesday to use it. And that thought just keeps replaying in my mind. And like I said, I didn't start making mistakes until Wednesday when they dropped it. So I'm sitting there thinking, like, is that like a trap? I mean, has anybody else in the chat felt that way? Like once Top Step got that dropped the resets, it kind of felt like, well, if I fuck up, at least I got a free reset. Does
Right.
anybody else felt that way?
I know I felt that way before. Yeah, for sure. Wow. And Muhammad caught that long that see. I would have went long with you right there, but I gotta be done. I gotta be done for today.
Yeah, man. Secure the day.
Yeah, I gotta secure the day. Yeah.
Yeah, I made a mistake and did that one time. I brought my account back from the dead. I was up 2K, and my foolish self went back to the NQ. And here's the thing, I was right. It's just that I was on the right side. It's just the NQ was doing that foolishness that she does, and I flipped long. I closed my short, flipped long, watched it crash all the way down, hit my target, and go further. I had to literally walk away from the screen because to stop myself from grabbing my laptop and throwing it because I made a stupid mistake like that. And yeah, that was not fun at all.
Yep. Yep. Yeah. Funded prop trader. Yeah, prop firms give us opportunities, great opportunities, but they are the manipulators, the master That is so true. So true. If you gotta beat them at their own game, basically. Yeah, especially Apex. Apex.
Yeah, that's why I'm not accepting any more resets. No more fire drills for this guy. Cause, yeah, because like, dude, I'm literally in my mind thinking I need to use that reset. How can I use it? 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 And that's what I'm thinking. I think that's probably why I subconsciously traded the pre-market in the news. It's like, shoot, well, if I blow it, I got to reset. So it's like, dude, it's crazy, but I think that's exactly why I went pre-market because I don't trade pre-market. I only trade in the stream and in the afternoon session if I see a setup.
Yeah.
But today I started trading pre-market. I even text Smith about it. I was like, dude. And then I was like, dude, why am I even trading pre-market? I don't trade pre-market anymore.
Hmm.
Uh,
I
yeah, I guess my
traded.
mind is just trying to use that reset.
I traded sometimes. Like I traded what Monday, Tuesday, and then I took Wednesday, Thursday, Friday off. I was watching the market though. You know, I'm watching. I keep a close eye on her if I see any opportunity. But I was like, man, I'm tired. I had to babysit that position all freaking night. I had to wait and see what London was gonna come in and do. Um, it's just, yeah, it's just a lot. It takes a lot of unnecessary energy if you're not already up at that time. It takes a lot of unnecessary energy. Or if you live in a
Hmm.
time zone where it doesn't really affect you, then you're good. Quick review on Top Step. How many days to pass? Yo, you can pass Top Step evals in 2 days. They got a 50% consistency rule.
Hmm.
Basically, you make half your target one day, make the second half the next day, and you pass. Um, which is that's recent. They recently changed that. That's nice. Yeah, we don't care what it used to be. The payout, I'm not sure about the payout because I haven't taken a payout from Top Step in like 2 months because I stopped trading with them. I was trading, other prop firms and evals. So I don't. When it was with deal, it was super fast. I would get it sometimes same day, um, or maybe like the next day. I'm gonna request the payout today after market close once everything updates, and then I'll let you guys know how long it takes to hit the bank account. I'm taking half. I'm taking half of this. I'm not playing no game, and they let you take up to 50% of your account balance. So I'm taking half of this. I'm not playing no games.
Yeah, I would too.
Yeah, we'll make. I will make it back. We'll get right back up there.
Yeah. And remember, you take the payout, you lose the contract size. So remember that.
Yeah, well, I still, even if I take half, I'm still full max contracts because it's 4,500 for the account size I'm on. 4,500 or more. I'll be at 6. So yeah, I'm taking that. I'm taking it.
Yeah, I would take it too. I
Yeah.
would take it.
Oh, that was a good long, Muhammad. Dang, that's a good. I should have took it with you. I saw it. Muhammad closed his
I took
short.
it.
He closed his
I mean, it's in
short.
the practice account though.
He
It's in the
closed
practice
his short
account.
down here and took long at 9:15. Look at him. Winning. Eden. Give him his targets. Let's see. JC's only use Apex. Uh,
I mean, I think the best top step accounts is obviously the 150K. It's just when you're on the funded size, I've made more money in my 50K than any other account. But I was trading CL. I mean, like I said, CL is perfect for that 50K. Perfect for it. You get three
yeah.
50 counts trading CL, you're perfect. You're golden. You messed up in one, the other one's going to pick it up. Because you can only be so wrong before you blow an account with CL that if you start with your other one, it's going to pick up where you left off. It's a good system. But obviously, if you trade anything else, that 150K comes in clutch. That 3K in drawdown comes in clutch. Especially with this bitch NQ, comes in clutch. But there was a time where I could trade NQ with the 50K and be very successful. I don't know what happened to that. I really don't know what happened to that.
Yeah. JC, to answer your question, how many days do you have to trade to request a payout? So you need 5 winning days of $200 or more. That's light work for you, my guy. Light work. You need 5, and they don't have to be consistent days. Like I had a red day Monday, but I traded this account Friday, so today's my 5th winning day. You just need 5 winning days. Every 5 winning days, you can request a payout. So essentially, if you're green, for like 3 weeks, you could take a payout every week, technically. If you're green, every day of the week, you can request a payout every week. And I was hitting them up months ago, like, what was it? A couple months ago when I was overseas working, I was hitting them up. Give me 20K. Give me that 20K. Give it here.
Yeah, it makes my little. I used to request 1 and 2K. It's like 1 week I'll make 1K, the next week I'll make 2K. Trading CM.
Yeah.
But I was hitting them up. I'm not gonna lie. When I tried to trading NQ again, that gambler side came back to me. The gamble. That's why I just stopped. I was like, dude, it's like, what am I gambling? I'm like, XFA, dude. Relax.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was hitting them up too every week. Every week until like the month of November, October, hitting them up for that payout. And then that's in December I decided, because like I said, I keep sharing this, but I got to fix my psychology. I can't be this stubborn if I want to be rich. If I want to take all the Top Steps money, I got to stop being so damn stubborn.
Yeah, 5 profitable days. I always go for like the 150K account or higher. Apex is kind of, they got that 300K. I've done that once. I hit the target, but I usually rock with 150K accounts because it's like the perfect blend for me. It's only a 9K profit target. Usually I can hit that in 2-3 days. Depends. Sometimes you have a really good day, you could hit it in 1 day, and then you just got to trade micros for the rest of the eval to pass the time. But yeah, I would recommend 150K, but the 50Ks are usually like the most popular accounts, but you got less drawdown. You gotta remember that. What they give you max, like 10 contracts max in the 50K?
No, nope.
5?
5.
5?
5. Yeah.
Okay.
You would literally have to set limits and hope they hit. Like, you can't eat no drawdown at all, dude. Well, if you're going in one contract, you have 27 points. That's $540 plus the commission. So you have at least 50 points before you hit drawdown, daily loss limit. But on the XFA side, that $1,000 is so, man, you can lose that in an instance if you ain't careful.
Yeah.
But like I said, I used to do it over at You Profit all the time. Like, I wonder why when I came over to Top Step, it's like, I guess I have different mindsets for different prop firms.
Yeah,
so that's the only account that I would pay for.
Yo, that's very true. Different prop firms give you different ways to trade them too. Like, I'll be straight reckless in Apex and not even care, because that's what they do. They bring that out of me. I tried to be responsible with them, and then I still ended up getting reckless and blowing all those accounts. Like, different mindset with Top Step. I'm like, okay, I'll take it easy, go slow, blah blah blah. Man, yeah, I think the 150K is like the perfect balance for me.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
15. What was you gonna say?
No, I was just disagreeing with you.
Yeah, 15 contracts is plenty to make money if you're gonna go full in 15 contracts. Yeah, the drawdown is decent, and then Top Step, like you said, they got that. If you hit your daily loss, they stop you out for the day. You get another chance the next day. Yeah.
Yeah, dude, I don't know, man. Like I said, with You Profit, I would only buy the 50Ks and whenever they drop the Freedom account, I'll hit that up. And they didn't give you 2 tries. Either you stopped out at 900 plus that crazy like, well, you profit what they used to do. Like, dude, if you close to the drawdown, they'll just stop you out and you blown the account anyway. It was like, man, you're about $10-$30 away from it. You're done, and then the account is closed.
Yeah.
But you don't get a second chance and you profit. And I was able to do it, but here I am paying $50 for Top Steps evals, 50K evals, and for some reason I feel like I don't have the same discipline. I guess because I paid $150 for U profits versus the $50 at Top Step. I think how the prices might play a part of it too. It's $50 for a 50K.
Yeah.
Why not? Why not? I think that's probably why.
There goes that. They take an Apex's strategy. Oh, it's here. It's so cheap. Go and be reckless in it. It's only $50.
Yeah.
Let me measure this move, bro.
I'm in it, man.
That was a
I'm in it.
I'm wishing I took that. I was thinking about it too. I'm like, this could bounce here. I was actually thinking a little bit lower though. But I was thinking, obviously, this golden fib right here, this could definitely bounce. I'm not in it. I'm jealous. I'm
Is this a head and shoulders pattern? Is this a head and shoulders pattern right here?
On what? That would be a big head and shoulder. 980 has been that level, man, to watch out for. I'm telling you.
Yeah, it seems like
they want to defend that. They try to defend 17K basically. Because if we clear this, we rocket ship up, I think. To the moon, baby.
You know what? Maybe that's something I should try. That's something I should try. I've already hit max daily profit in my Top Step X account. I don't know, dude. No, I'm gonna trade. With this 50K, I'm gonna trade CL. I'm gonna trade CL. But man, that 150 point play, man, if I kept it rolling, dude, I was like, man, this got to retest this high right here, man. It has to, and it did, and it dropped.
Okay.
There's a nice head and shoulders on CL. If you look at CL, they dropped right at that shoulder, that left shoulder, and dropped.
Oh, let me show you real quick, Kenneth. So you go to your indicators, right? So you're gonna have to hold on, let me move this out of the way. Yeah, go to your indicators on your chart, and then you're gonna have to go to Explore Community Indicators down here. Click on that, and then search. Golden. Is it nom? Well, type golden. Type golden. Golden. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's the Sethmo Golden Fibonacci Retracement Tool. This one right here. And then all you gotta do is install it. It'll say install. I already got it, obviously. But yeah, you just install it, and then it'll appear. It will appear under your tools section once you install that. So it's the Sethmo Golden Fibonacci Retracement Tool. And it gives you a little example here. You set it, you draw it from the high to the low down here. See how they drew it? They hit the top of the high to the low down here, and then it retraced all the way to the 61.8, 65%, and then bounced. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, Sethmo Golden Fibonacci Retracement Tool. You'll install that, and then it'll be under your drawing tools. Yep. Right here. And the way I use it, I draw it from pre-market high. So that's why I don't really change it or adjust it. I mean, I can adjust it on other time frames, but I keep it the same I draw it from like pre-market high. So at the time, obviously it shot up. But at the time, this was a pre-market high, and that's where I drew it at. Pre-market high to pre-market low down here. Yeah, this was the... Oh, wait, it shifted. I must have dragged it by accident or something. Let me move that up. So this would be right there. 100% is the pre-market low. So pre-market high would have been right around here. It's a pre-market low. And yeah, it'll give you your golden area to look for. And then your second golden area down here, if it were to continue lower, to make, and then a 300% move. I've seen that a few times, y'all. I've seen a 300% move. That's crazy. That's a crazy sell-off. You get a 300% move. I've seen it a few times, though. Yeah. But great, fantastic long from here, man. You still in it? Where were you long at, Sherm? Quiet over there. Unless you in a meeting.
920.
Oh, 920. Still, perfect long. Beautiful long. Beautiful long. And look at y'all, cracking 980. Let's get them up. You still
I got my target. I got my runner target at 1750. I might move this up. I might move it up.
Yo. Y'all, congrats to y'all taking that long. We already know. That's barbecue chicken, baby. That's bag security. That's bag security.
It was at the leg of that damn once I saw it took out that liquidity, I was like, dude, I looked to the left and I was like, man, this ain't short. Like, dude, it's not taking that out. It's not taking that out. I can't. Well, it can. It's just highly unlikely that it wouldn't. I said, fuck it. I went long. And I'm not in, like I said, I'm in the practice account, so I'm practicing right now. So there was really no emotion in taking this trade at all.
Yeah.
I just took it. It just made sense to take it, so I took it.
Yeah. No emotions.
And look at that.
Look at you getting 1,000 points without any emotion.
Without emotions, without any emotion. Right now, if I was in the XFL, I was like, man, I was like, dude, you better close this. You're up 70 points. You better close that. Like, nah, baby, we ain't closing it.
Yeah. So, and then it's...
I'll close it at...
Oh, my bad. I was just going to say, to add on to the golden fib, it's different on different charts, obviously, because you got different time frame or tick frames. So if I go on here, on this chart, this is the 1,000 tick chart right here. You see how it bounced beautifully right off of that? Same thing. Beautifully bounced. And now, like I said, we got to crack this high, though. We got to bust out to continue up. But yeah, it bounced beautifully. Golden fib. And then on the 2,000 tick, it dipped a little bit below, but here's the 2,000 tick. Dipped a little bit below, but I also drew this at the time of the high. So this is a different high versus this high that I had. So I drew this when this was the high of the session at 990, 989, whatever that is, 990. And then I drew this one when this was the high, or from the high at 1742, the actual high that it got up to, but that was during the cash session. So yeah, it dipped a little bit below, almost bounced off to 75%, but let me just extend it out. But yeah, that's all I got on that. Man, that was a beautiful long though. Dang.
Yeah, I guess you really just have to kind of just be locked in and just be patient on this. Be patient on it.
Yeah.
Be patient. Because, looking at, obviously in hindsight, dude, okay. If I was in this with two contracts at that 740 short, obviously I would have took some of that off at 980, probably.
Yeah.
Hopefully I would have.
Yeah, I know I would have. Yeah, 980, because that's been a key like resistance level for some reason. And now they're trying to defend. The Bears are trying to defend 17K with their life right now. They're fighting for their life.
Dude, are their Bear stocks about to get hit? I would defend it too.
Yeah,
Oh, that bear stops about to get hit.
they stopped about to get ran.
It's like, oh no. It's like, I ain't trying to be liquidity.
They are Kelly right now. I'm fighting for my life right now, man. They're fighting. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, this is nice though. Congrats to y'all that caught that.
Yeah. So yeah, like oh yeah, Smith said something to me last night that I was thinking about too, man. Remember at the beginning of the stream, he was like, "Man, today's gonna be a down day." And even though I said that, I was sitting there trying to still look for longs the entire day. And I thought to myself, "Damn, I really do love counter trend trading. Like counter trend trading is addictive.
Yeah.
Maybe it's like an ego thing. Like if you can counter the trend and still be profitable, it's like, dude, like you went against the trend, you fought the trend and won. I think that's probably, if I'm going to dig deep into my psychology, that's probably what it is. Probably.
Yeah.
I mean, I love trading counter trend, but man, I mean, I guess it'd be too easy if you trade with the trend. I mean, store that supply, go long at demand. I mean, it'd be too easy then. You can't brag about it. You can't tell stories about it. But man, that story where you can tell, like that pre-market story, I was like, yeah, man, I was almost in drawdown. I almost hit daily loss limit. I almost accepted it, but then there was hope. I saw that green candle, and that green candle closed above VWAP. That's when I knew my position was good, and I ended the day with max daily profit. That's a better story.
Yeah.
That is a hell of a better story than, oh yeah, I shorted that supply. He caught on that, man.
You see Moxie's comment? He ain't never winning that 30-day chip. I don't even think he could get that 14-day chip.
I'm a rebel, baby.
What's good, Oso? How'd your day go so far, man? I mean, there's a little bit of chop. There's a little bit of chop on the NQ. I don't know about the ES. Yeah. Yeah, I feel you. I feel you. I took a small L on this because it was just playing around right here. It was playing, and eventually it did rise up higher, and I could have took out a couple thousand right there. Could have made a couple grand, but okay. Oh, he traded NQ today too. Okay. Yeah, see, if you look at ES, there's like not the same type of crazy chop that I'm looking at the two now. Yeah. ES was a little bit cleaner, it looks like, with these moves. A little bit cleaner. Because this is insane. And I traded this. This back and forth. Yeah. Nice. That's what's up. Oh, Alfred, you came back? Yo, not the Patriots versus the Falcons. I remember that game. I remember that game. Brady the GOAT. Like, how you give up, what was it, like a 26, 28 point lead they had on them? That was insane. When he came
You talking about
back,
that one Super Bowl?
yeah, Falcons, yeah, Falcons versus Patriots. Atlanta it was almost a sure thing. You had a 20-something point lead and you gave it all up. That's the analogy of when I be up 50, 80, 100 points and you let it come all the way back on you because you want your target.
Hey man, you gotta get that target, baby. You gotta get it. Yo, I bet my brother on that. Man, I thought I was going to give him some money. Well, he was mad when he had to give me that $100. Well, he was nice. His look on his face. You know?
Yo.
And you know, I was antagonizing him. I was like, oh yeah, I got this $100. I don't know what to do.
You gotta talk your talk after that. 28-3,
Boy.
yeah, then came back, yeah. Yo, Atlanta.
Boy, he was heated. The market makers at that game was like, hold on.
Yeah, on the books, the sports books. Like, hold on, what's going on? All right. Let's
like, we can make some money here. Yo, hey.
Flip the switch. Nice work,
so we can make some money. Everybody's betting. Someone probably just put like a single print on the Falcons. Like, this is a short thing. He probably turned his TV off and went to sleep and everything. Had a dream about all the money that he was going to wake up with. And it's like, nah, you thought.
You thought.
Oh, that was a nice $100, dude. Oh man, I still remember that day like it was yesterday, dude.
I remember it too. I was like, dang, I was rooting for Atlanta too.
Oh, that was a nice $100.
I was rooting for them. Oh man, that's hilarious. Like, how do you do that?
Yeah, how do you fumble like that? Fumble. I'm surprised nobody didn't do an investigation for like tampering or make claims of cheating. Like no one didn't say nothing about it. At least I didn't see it.
We know the Patriots' history. they some cheaters for real. They try to get any edge they can.
Yeah, like, dude, I'm surprised nobody didn't say nothing about that because that was a crazy comeback. And it was like in the last quarter, right? If I remember correctly. Wasn't it?
I don't remember.
It was crazy. It was almost a short thing. Like it was almost impossible for them to come back and win the way they did.
Yeah.
But they found a way. So that's why I was surprised nobody didn't say nothing about it. It was like, yo, what the hell? What happened? I had a whole lot of money on this game. What happened? Shit, if my brother was salty losing $100, just imagine the people that put up 6-7 figures on this game. And just imagine how they felt.
Oh yeah.
You know what? I actually might just. If this don't break here, I might get out of this position. This needs to break here. I mean, well, prices looks like it's starting to trend up. It looks like it's starting to trend up.
Atlanta United. You know, I ain't never been to no soccer game. I never been to an NFL game either. Only NBA. Yeah. I'm gonna have to. Well, that's gonna be hard, but I have to make it to an NFL game one of these days. You know what was funny? My uncle and them, or actually not my uncle, my in-laws were at a game. They went to go see the Vikings play. He's a big Vikings fan, and they went. Who did they go play? Gosh, I can't remember. But they left the game. They left the game early, thinking that the Vikings lost. And I checked ESPN. I was like, man, that was a good comeback for y'all team. Y'all won. It's like, what you mean we lost? And here's what they did. No, I think, yeah, they were playing the Falcons. The Falcons, yeah. And they beat the Falcons because, yeah, they drove down to Atlanta. And so, as they left the game early, and they were like walking out when they were walking out of the arena or whatever. They asked or not the Vikings fan, the Falcons fans who won the game, and they said, oh yeah, y'all lost. The Falcons fans told them that they lost, and I was like, you just took their word for it? Like you didn't bother to check ESPN, check the app or nothing, check the score. So they went home back to their hotel room. He was salty. I'm like, you didn't bother to check that? I'm like, what you mean? So I'm calling them on the phone later. I'm like, y'all won. What you mean? How you gonna trust a Falcons fan to tell you the score? Oh, that's funny.
You're gonna trust the enemy.
Yeah, you gonna take the enemy's word.
Yeah, that's funny.
Yeah, I need to make
That's
it to
funny.
I need to make it to a soccer game. They seem pretty lit. Crowd get all into it. Yeah.
Oh
The
yeah,
finals.
motherfuckers will kill you over a soccer game, dude.
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
Yeah. They don't play around with their teams, man. They don't play around.
So what the fuck you just said about my team?
Yeah.
Wear the other jersey around them if you want. You'll find yourself somewhere in a ditch, stripped of everything. Yo, them soccer fans are passionate, man. They are passionate about that sport, man.
For the finals, I haven't really been paying it. Basketball to me, it's not the same anymore. I've been leaning watching more football games than anything. Basketball is just like, I don't know. I called, so when they were doing that in-season tournament thing, I'm like, you know this thing is rigged, right? I'm like, you know the Lakers gonna win it, the in-season tournament. Like, you know they're gonna win it. I think they played the Pacers for it. I was like, who would you rather have win the very first in-season tournament? Lakers or the Pacers? Like, come on. So I didn't even bother watching. I haven't been keeping up with basketball like I used to. And I'm a Lakers fan, unfortunately. I'm a Lakers fan, but LeBron's getting old.
Yeah, he's still playing. That's crazy.
He's still better than like half the league, which is
They
insane.
ain't gonna let his ass go. It's like, nah, we ain't got no more players left. I mean, the only one well, you can argue that Steph Curry kind of he's kind of in there. He's weird. Like Steph Curry is good, but he doesn't feel like he's seasoned enough to be in that same conversation with a Michael Jordan, a LeBron, like the big names, even though he's really good. So it's like he's won 4 or 5 rings, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know what happened. I don't keep up with it, so don't fight me about that. But
yeah, I think he got
like when you put Steph Curry in that conversation, it don't sound right.
Yeah, what's going on with Green? How's he? I need to watch. I need to get back in YouTube and watch his.
I mean, they suspended him indefinitely unless they brought him back.
Yeah, he spoke, like he had a news conference or something with the media. I heard for like the first time since Draymond Green don't take no responsibility. You can't be going around kicking people in the nuts, slapping people. Like, you can't do that. That's not basketball.
Apparently,
this ain't the MMA.
Apparently you can. You're getting away with it. Apparently you can. Just beat people up. How dare you be on the other team? I'm gonna kick you in the nuts.
You can't be swinging, throwing punches at people mid-game. He said he thought about retiring and stuff. Oh, come on. It's too much.
What would he do?
Too much to handle. What? You acting like a pansy right now. Come on now. You support Draymond? Street Fighter on the court. Y'all are silly. In the trading world, Muhammad got short at 990, and he already up nearly 20 points.
I mean, I don't know, man. I mean, I don't know. I mean, yeah, you probably would have to break the VWAP, the 200 and the 50. You would have to break that.
Yeah, I mean it could be a scalp. I know he put on significant size, so he probably got
Yeah, well,
thousands right now.
we don't got no daily loss limit.
Yeah, no daily loss limit, but your own.
I mean, I'm starting to grow. Like, I'm starting to put in more size. I think. Oh, well, obviously, when you start off with top, well, when you get in the XFA side, you have to try to figure it out with 3.
Yeah.
But I might just only just stick with 3. Like, start off with 2 and then hedge with that 1 contract if that's necessary.
This looks like, yeah, it looks like a really good place. I mean, you got to fight VWAP.
Yeah.
And the moving average is 50 here.
Mm-hmm.
So I would think.
I mean, they're all having an orgy right now, so
yeah,
you got the.
I was just gonna say I think this be a good scout, a good short scout, but I think it bounces.
Yeah, definitely having an orgy right now.
Dang, small size to Muhammad is 10 contracts. I'm trying to get like you when I grow up. My goodness, that's small size for Muhammad. His account must be immaculate. One of these days I'm gonna get there. One of these days.
You gotta reach that 30 days, man. You gotta reach that 30 days.
Yeah. 30 days. See, I haven't even been paying attention. I haven't been watching the NBA. I didn't even know. I kind of stopped. I've been more into college football, actually. Just watched the national championship. I kind of figured Michigan was going to win after that. After the first couple drives. But, yeah.
22, got down to 15. Yeah, that was a good trade.
Yep, 90. What do you say? You got an 80 or 90? Did I say 90? Maybe you said 90. Beautiful.
Dude, how the hell? Yeah, that's good.
He's a market maker, man. I'm telling you, he's a market maker.
Man, shoot. I'm looking at the damn VWAP and everything else. He said, fuck VWAP. I'm taking this short.
Beautiful. Look at this. Muhammad.
I would have never. Well, yeah.
Look at that. 10 cons from 9. What did I say? 9. Yeah, 990. We gotta measure this move. Let us know when you exit.
That's a 50 point.
Let us know when you exit.
Man.
Oh my gosh. Let us know when you exit them. Real.
I think this is a good spot to exit right here. Right here is probably a good spot right here.
Yeesh. Dang, just catching 50 points like that with 10 cons? Sheesh. And that's small size. Oh, he's eating them right now. They hating him. Muhammad said, "Wait till I get these 300K accounts on Apex." Hey, they might ban you. You know they banned after that guy that took his $1 million payout. They banned him from. They said, "Nah, you gotta go. We don't.
You don't want your kind around here.
We don't want your kind around here." He took $1 million from Apex. Dang. 10 cons, 50 points. Man, I should have.
That's a quick 5K, dude. That's great. That's great. You know, the one thing, my biggest roadblock with the NQ is that was in hindsight, man, that was a great pattern right there. Great pattern. You see it all the damn time.
Yep.
Just that damn, you don't ever trust it.
We need a Muhammad copy trader or a Muhammad indicator, some signals. This man don't miss. He don't miss. We need that.
Look at that. That thing came in
He don't,
and
man.
got bought right back up right there. Oh shit! Good thing I closed out that. Good thing I closed that long out. Yeah, all the trades I took. I'm gonna drop it if y'all guys are interested in watching them. Caught like 70 points.
Nice.
70, 80 points. I was in 4 contracts. Scaled out of it. It was a beautiful trade.
Beautiful, beautiful trade.
Beautiful trade, dude.
Yeah, this why is it's Friday? Why are we acting like this today? What is going on? I mean, I know we got, CPI that people wasn't expecting yesterday, but come on. What's going on right now?
Yeah, you know what? Maybe that's what. Man, that's gonna be hard, dude. I would have to have like a supplement account in order to do that. I would have to have a supplement account. 'Cause the NQ is one hell of a drug, and being patient with her.
Yeah, being patient.
Yeah,
Patience is key with
being
her.
patient with her. Yeah, because she'll fake you out 10 million times. Then when she gets to that level, it's easy sailings. But then you gotta wait for it. Like for that short. I mean, well, okay. I mean, if you took when did the session start? All right, just going to recap the session. So the session started at a very deceptive area at 17.14. Who wouldn't think to short there? I mean, obviously you did get a short.
Ooh.
The Bears did short this,
Oh.
and then they became liquidity.
When did I? Yeah, because I only took longs today. I didn't take no shorts. I should have,
Yeah,
but
and,
there was opportunity. Lots of
yeah.
opportunity.
I'm actually, yeah.
Let
Oh,
me get
excuse me.
back secured for Muhammad. This man just made like 100 grand today. Probably more. I'm probably lowballing him. He probably did more.
The small guys like, damn, we made 3K today.
I made not even a fraction of what he made today. No, it's all good though. I celebrate that. I like to see people
We
winning,
celebrate
baby.
everybody's win.
Yeah, I celebrate everybody's win. I like to see people winning, baby. We like to see people winning. Unlike some people that come on my channel, comment. You know who you are.
Isn't that interesting? He was talking about the Falcons, and that was his name. Oh, that's interesting.
Not gonna mention
But
any names. Yeah, not gonna mention any names, but yeah.
Yeah, I think this is. Yeah, this is gonna be it for me today. I'm not trading anymore today. It'll kind of be useless. Like, man, like I swear, I wanted to buy another eval just so I can continue to trade. That's how high I was. Now that I've come down, if I would have bought another eval, I would have felt foolish. Like, why am I buying another eval for? But yeah, like I do want to get back to that. I do want to get back to $50 for a 50K account.
Yeah. You're enticing them. It's only $50. You could spare 50. Think of the potential. You could make thousands off of $50. Which is true, but hey, you didn't fade me. We took pretty much the same trades. I didn't get faded. I was saying I wanted the long right there with him, but I'm like, I'm trying to preserve I need this payout, baby. We need this payout. I'll take my humble $2,900 and call it. I'll take my. Well, meanwhile, Muhammad made $2 million today. I'll take my humble 2,900 and get this payout.
Yeah.
Oh, no,
How much was that? So that was a 90.
This is the wrong account. What is it? This one. This is the one I can get the payout in. These other accounts I gotta trade one more day for these other two. I need one more winning day.
Hold on. Do you ask Mohammed? Does he hold all contracts to target, or does he scale out of?
He's so on that short that he took. He said he held all of them till 9:30. He got out at 9:35. But before, I guess it's a situational. He scales out sometimes. I've seen him in the comments writing like I'm out 60% or holding a runner. I guess it's all situational.
Yeah, I'm holding all my targets to. Yeah, I mean, I guess. See, I guess that's something else that maybe I need to incorporate is just scaling out of positions and stuff.
Yeah, especially if price is playing around on that BS.
Mm.
Yeah, look at this short on the 15-minute. Oh my gosh, they still gonna try to take out that news pump, huh? Maybe, or it could hold here. I don't know. Yeah, but I'm done. I'm done for the day. This is all just trader talk at this point. Trying to help anybody else out if they still in positions or still trading.
All right, let me see. Yeah, I got out of position. So I think this is. I mean, well, I've been trying this new strategy where I have one big target and I'll scalp smaller targets so I can at least lock in some profits. I'm not going to lie, I don't like that. I mean, if I got 4 contracts on, I want to hold them all to target. I want to hold them all to target, baby.
Dude, we can all. There's money out here for all of us. Fading the host is disrespectful. Hey, I'll copy Muhammad's trades. Shoot. Ain't no shame in my game, baby. Shoot. We gonna catch. I might not copy the size. I might not copy the size, but shoot, I'm not too proud. Ain't no shame in my game. It's enough bread out here. We could all eat. We could all eat. Bulls and bears. Y'all silly. Hey, we got an alert. Muhammad's already up 10 points. He's long 940.
Oh, yeah. We're doing the Muhammad indicator?
The Muhammad indicator, baby.
The Muhammad indicator.
The Muhammad indicator, baby. Hey, he said he ain't aiming for much. I mean, he 10 points. Probably in like 30. Nah. Like 30 cons. Nah. Quick scout. Take that 10 points. It looks like it. That's the 15-minute though. That's a smaller. Let's look at the hourly. The hourly looks like it wants to drop price. Ooh, you think they might drop it at lunch? I mean, we're in lunch now, but like 12 o'clock lunch, New York.
This looks like it's gonna drop. This actually looks like it's gonna drop.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm gonna take this short.
That's what I'm
taking it short, dude.
That's what I'm thinking.
I'm taking it short. Dude. I'm gonna go on one contract and see what happens. I'm taking it short. This drops.
Yeah.
This drops. This is a classic. Okay, I see this. I see the pattern. They're gonna take that low out. They're gonna take that low out.
They're gonna take what, the 920? Or
yeah, they're taking that low out. Actually, this might actually go to 893, 890ish. They're gonna take that low out. I'm gonna take it. I got a 10-point stop if I'm wrong.
Should I take it? Oh,
I wouldn't, dude.
Me.
I wouldn't. I wouldn't take it. It'll be kind of foolish. Get that payout unless you're trading an account that you haven't gotten no profits in. Then yeah,
I'm gonna take it in a practice account, baby. Practice account, full port. Nah, not full port.
I'm actually gonna split this. I'm gonna split the baby. I'm
Let
gonna
me go
split
in
it.
5. I'm gonna go in 5 in the practice account. I just want to see. I just want to see. I just want to see.
I don't
This
wanna be a player no more.
this is the practice. This is a sim. I mean, it's all a sim, but this is the real sim that don't count towards my payout. I got in 5 right here, short. I just want to see. I want to see if we break this area 920 and break 910.
Yeah, I think this goes down. This goes down. If it pumps back up to VWAP, I think VWAP knocks us down.
I mean,
Looking at the structure, yeah, this is a short.
I
I'm confident in this one.
yeah, I feel like it is. I really do. I would agree with you.
I'm 80% confident.
Now, hold on, y'all. Don't let this dog out of this room. 1 second.
All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. There goes that short, baby. There goes that short, baby. There it goes. That was such an obvious short right there. That was an obvious short. I wonder how far this gonna keep going. I think. Let me measure this real quick. I think this can go. I think we can at least get to 897, and I'm gonna have a runner contract at 869. I think we can do that. I think we break these lows and go lower. Yeah, right around pre-market's low. Yeah, I think we can do it. Yeah, I think we can do it.
Back, baby. What happened? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Up 13. Took it in the practice account. I took it in the practice account. In the practice account. Oh, shoot. Muhammad's fading me. Fading me long at 9:30. Uh-oh. Oh, in the practice account. No. In the practice.
Yeah, this is definitely going for them lows, baby. I'm short in the practice account with you, baby. I'm short there too.
I shorted off the 50 and off this fib, 38%.
Don't fumble into it.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, I'm short at 942.
Practice account up 8K. Sheesh. I was in at 943. Funded HQ or funded trader HQ got in at short at 47, 947. Dang. I mean, we had that feeling. We just talked about it. Like, this looks like it's flipping lower to tackle them lows. That's bittersweet. 1600. That liquidity, I need that. Oh, well, GG's, guys. GG's, guys and gals. It seems like some people had it rough trying to trade the news. I just wanted to see the reaction. I was actually trying to look to go long earlier. Sherm said, wait till the candle closes. I'm glad he said that, because I would have been long at 17 and 1690 on this drop. But we waited, it cracked VWAP, and then we went long. Let's get back in here so I can see. Yeah, we long down here and scaled in and ate a little bit. I missed this long opportunity here. I was thinking about it too. I was thinking about it so hard. I was thinking about it so hard about taking this long down here. We would have been long the bottom. Could have rode it to glory. And the same thing with the short too. But I mean, it is what it is. Like I said, wanted to secure this payout. So when I come back, half of this might probably gonna be gone. I'm taking half. I'm taking my 50%, baby. So I'll probably be with 6K in the account next time I can trade it, or next time y'all see it up. I'm taking half. And probably same. And this is half on 3 accounts. On 3. Yep, half on 3 accounts.
All right, so what are you talking about? Half on 3 accounts for what? What are you talking about?
I'm withdrawing half on all 3. Give me my money.
What are you withdrawing?
6K.
So you're about to withdraw. Are you talking about in total or across all 3 accounts?
Across all 3 accounts in total. So my account right now is sitting at 12K, right? We built it 12K from nothing, scratch. I'm gonna take 6K from each. That's in each of them. Each of them sitting at 12K. So I'm gonna take a total of 18K. You know, 6 times. I'm taking out 6. 6 times 3, 18. So I'm gonna take a total of 18K. Top step. Give me my money. Give me my hat. Hey, yeah. You ain't answered my question. Where's my hat, baby? Where do I get my hat?
Oh, with the hat, they do it in a live stream. I tried searching for it on a on their site, but I couldn't find it.
Let me go hit up Top Step TV real quick. Where's my hat? I'm gonna spam that and give me my hat, Top Step. Give me my hat. I want my hat. Oh, I meant to show you something too. I meant to show you something on their site. It's like one of those rare event things, but Top Step actually taught me something. It shouldn't really affect us, but it's good knowledge to be aware of. They got that lock limit thing, and I'll shoot you the link so you can watch their video.
Mm-hmm.
But it's like if the market is like, say the market is up or down like 5%, more than 5% or something like that, you're not allowed to trade until the next session opens, because there's actual rules out there on the CME about that. And I meant to send that to you last night, but I was like, yo.
That's interesting. I do not know. Well, I mean, I know that that one time when price limited up on that first NVIDIA it was one of those news events where NQ limited up to where they froze the price, so it just stood there, and then they brought it back up. Yeah, this is support right here. I mean, I'm in the practice account, but I mean, I guess if you was short at 90, this is what a 70-point move right here. But yeah, I think it breaks this, man. I think it breaks it.
Slow mode is on. Wait 37 seconds before posting. Look at them in the comments. If anybody's on Top Step TV, they asking for fire drills and resets. It's a drug, baby. It's a drug, like we talked about. They are asking for resets.
Are they? Let me look at it, dude. Like I said, man, that is like, dude, that reset really started to fuck. Like, dude, y'all seen it? I'm green in my account, dude, and I almost hit daily loss limit yesterday for like fighting the trend. Like, why was I doing that? Like, why was I doing that?
I want my hat.
But now we're gonna get that XFA, baby. But I'm still not gonna. I'm not. I've already paid. I'm not gonna trade this XFA. I'm not trading.
Yeah.
Give me another eval, and then if I pass this email, then I can go back into it. Because I feel like, dude, there's still some things I need to work out, man. There's still some things I need to work out. I mean, I hate catching all this money because I could withdraw it, but I mean, I don't need the money. I mean, I don't. This is something that I just need to work on. So once I finally able to get in tune with the damn markets,
yeah,
and then I'll trade my XFA again. Then I will. But I still got work to do. Still got work to do with my psychology. Still got work to do. Because I'm not going to go in with sides like Smith. It's like, oh, I'm not doing that.
Risk it for the biscuit, baby.
Because I know, like, if I get a scalp, I've learned over time that if I get a scalp, I want it again. I'm trying to look for another location so I can get another scalp in. You get those target hits real quick, you're looking for that next high. So it's like, man, I gotta, like, yeah, it's fun. Yeah, I ran up 20K in Apex 3 days in a row, almost 18K, first 16, 18, and then to 22.
Yeah.
But dude, it's like, man, I was so high though. Like, man, I can't trade like that every damn day. Not consistently.
Yeah.
So I got to work on this, man. I got to. So I'll get one more eval, one more, so I can have 3. Oh, not 3. I can have. So right now I got 2 XFAs. This one will make a third one, and I'm gonna have one more. And and I'll have a backup just in case I have a tilt day, because it's gonna be different in the XFAs and the evals. It's gonna be real different.
Yeah.
And and then I still got this Top Step X account that I'm only like I just need $800 more to pass it, but I don't want to. And I don't want a 50K, but dude, it's like, man, I used to be able to pass it with 50Ks. What the hell happened?
Weren't you trading CL?
No, I was talking about when I was like, dude, I'm still talking about when I was trading when you profit. Like,
Oh,
I was paying $150 per account trading the
yeah.
50Ks, and I was able to pass it.
Yeah. I mean, it's a slow.
Not only pass it, we get payouts,
Yeah,
consistent payouts.
the 50K is one of them accounts where you gotta just be more methodical with your trades, like catch them tops and bottoms, catch points, or you could do base hits, multiple base hits, and add that up that way. But I'd rather catch points, baby. I'd rather catch them points.
Work on that psychology, because I catch points, man. Like, dude, like the amount of points I get, but then I do the math on it. It's like, well, I average around like 50 to 60 points. I think the most points that I've ever gotten was that pump all the way from open to how many points was that? Like, out of one contract, I think I got like maybe 150 to 160 points on one contract and just held it.
Yeah.
But that's only because I know like 250 points is like, I think like 5K or something like that on one contract. But I mean, it's not a lot of money for all those points, and so you need to add on contracts to at least supplement 150 times 20. Yeah, that's only 3K. Like, it's like, dude, that's not enough. So I guess my goal is right now is to try to get like a strategy to where I can kind of scalp, but then also take the long trades too. Mm-hmm. I just want to get a system working so I can just get in there and just be more patient. Be more patient with these damn moves instead of trying to counter trade all the damn time. But yeah, I'm going into this is week 2 for me, green. I almost blew it yesterday. I almost blew it this morning. It was green this week. Let's continue. Got in another XFA already set up. I'm going to trade one more eval. I'm gonna buy it, and then I'm just going to add that to the tracking. Get one more eval.
My bad, bro. They were talking about Top Step X in the chat. I was like, I would never try. From Sherman's experience alone, I'm like, I wouldn't touch that. I do not need an unstable platform. Tradeovate's bad enough with the issues they had in the past when Ninja took over. I'm like, and I stuck with them, but I'm like, nah, it's like they released an unfinished product. Why would you want to trade?
They definitely did.
Yeah,
they definitely did.
People said it's laggy. It's nah, forget that.
Yeah, it definitely is. Like, you open the chart and you come back to it, you see gaps. It's like, dude, there is no gaps in futures. And it, like, dude, like if I send a screenshot of the chart, like, yo, gap.
You almost made me spit out.
Even though there's no gap. You said what?
You almost made me spit out my coffee.
Yeah, so I was like, dude, it's like, I mean, I wouldn't want to. They don't need to release it now. This has a lot of work. Like, the one thing that like I said, it does fit my personality, because if I scale in, I mean, both targets are going to be, you can't scale out of your targets with Top Step X, and I'm surprised nobody else has said anything about that, or at least I haven't seen it. You can't scale out of your position. You either got to take that one profit, or you got to let it ride. Unless I'm missing something, and I tried. There's no ATM strategy, so you had to kind of set up your strategies yourself. I don't see anything where you can, what is it, a trailing stop? I don't see it. I mean, if it's there, I mean, like I have to probably pull out my Harvard degree to figure it out, but
You gotta be
I
a
don't see
rocket
it.
scientist to to figure out the platform.
I mean, the tilt, they added something to where with the tilt, and I don't understand why, like why you're doing that, but they added something to where it asks you, like on Netflix, are you still watching?
Yeah.
Like, dude, like why the hell? It's like, are you still watching the tilt? Yes, motherfucker. Like,
Are you
why
still
else am I
there?
on this platform? I'm gonna ask am I still watching the goddamn tilt?
Are you still
What else am I watching?
Well, yeah, I'm still watching it. Why else would I be? Hey, they just released a poll on Top Step or on Top Step TV talk about are you using Top Step X? I'm about to say no. Where's the heck no? Where's the heck no button? Heck no. 200 votes. 60, 66% no. It says, he said Tosta X has no VWAP, no ATM orders, and its web-based browsers are not optimized for trading. It needs a lot of work. Just from what Sherman said alone. Like, it needs hella work.
Oh yeah. There's no that's something else. It has no EMAs. Like, dude, I'm not taking that stupid shit seriously. They need to come like, dude, it's a good starting off. Like for it to be their first platform, you gotta give them to them. It's a good start.
It's a good start.
But dude,
But it needs a lot of work.
ain't nobody playing with their money. Yeah, ain't nobody playing about this.
It needs a lot of work if they want to compete with the big boys.
Yeah, I'm a trade. Like, dude, you want people to trade to pick Tradeovate or Top Step over Tradeovate?
Yeah, or Ninja. Old Faithful. I started off with Ninja Trader's regular platform. And I was like, okay, I get the hang of this. I like this. And then I was introduced to Tradeovate. I'm like, it's a little bit more simplistic. I kind of like that.
I see the comment you were talking about. Yeah, that's exactly true.
Yep. You see it by Anonymous?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Anonymous Future Trader. Ninja Trader 8,
Yeah.
baby.
And they talk about they're trying to find a way to monetize Top Step X. Dude, it is not that serious, man.
Yeah, they want to
monetize. Bookmap does that already.
They want to monetize it. Like, what is y'all doing? How you gonna monetize a crap product? You need to make it perfect. If you need to make it perfect. You can't be.
Actually, let me look at it real quick and see if what it says. And yes, it asked me, "Are you still watching it?" Man, you should just take a screenshot so you can show the chat.
Screenshot. Look like it's Netflix. Are you still? Why else would I be using this crap platform? I want to see what all these Top Step traders are doing, so I can fade them.
All right, I just sent it to you. Ask me if I'm still watching this.
You need to post that.
Oh yeah, let me show you the pictures of the gaps. The gaps.
Oh, you going
in dude, there's no gaps and no futures, dude.
Going in on them. Tilt X, are you still watching? It's there. It's true. There's no lies being told. Muhammad said their tilt is BS. Oh, so they was that at the?
You see that gap?
Where was that? That was at.
You see that gap? Dude, I don't know when the hell that was. But
that
was like, dude,
Midday.
Futures don't do that.
Yeah.
Like, you got a lot of work to do, man.
Yeah. Yeah,
you got a lot of work.
Yesterday he was down. No, you know what got me messed up? When the Top Step TV first came out, let's talk about it. I was like, oh man, these guys are pros. They've been in the pits. They don't know what the heck they doing. I'm like, I'm a better trader than this dude, than the CEO. Yesterday I went and rewatched their thing. He was down. He was down like 1,500, and then he said he was down 3,200, but he brought it back to being down 700. I was like, what? And then the spots they be talking about entering their positions, I was like, oh man, that one dude that be commenting on my video, he be salivating at them. He would be salivating coming after them. I'm like, what? Even I was like, what are y'all doing? He's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna try to long this. Why are you longing and the market is dropping? You trying to catch a falling knife? I was like, yo, they don't. That's when I knew. They made me hit DLL trying to follow. I was like, man, maybe they know a little bit more than I do. And I was like, man, F that. Man, I stick with my convictions now. Forget them. Down 10K on the week. See, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. They don't, what? You don't know what the heck he doing. You need to go back to the pits, my guy. Like, how did you even survive?
Yeah, and then that's what I think everybody else trades ES. That's like, dude, like when you look at an ES chart, I mean, I would rather jump off a cliff than trade ES, but this shit is easy, dude.
Not just. Yo.
You'll get the excitement quicker. Like, dude, look at what ES traders got to deal with. Like, dude.
Yo.
Look at what they got to deal with, dude. I mean, you may like this move was good. This move from 48.02 all the way up to 48.18. That was a 16-point move. That's respectable, I guess, for the ES.
For the ES, yeah.
16 points times 50 on one contract. That's only $800. Man, y'all can keep ES, dude. We like to get high over here, baby. We like to get high over here, baby. Get them real profits over here, baby. 16 points and only $800 on one contract. Yo, y'all can keep ES, man.
Look at the
keep
chat.
That stable bit.
Read the chat. Alfred going in on a. He'd be like, I'm gonna long this. 2 minutes later, yeah, I'm stopped out. Yo. I was like, after that first day I watched them, I was like, they literally made me rethink my own methods. I was like, yo, am I doing this wrong? Like, maybe they got all this experience in the pits and trading, and I was like, he's like, yeah, I think it's gonna. It really made me question myself. I'm like, man, I'm not watching. And Sherm knows. I think I told you. You know, I was like, man, I watched Top Step TV, and when they were like, oh, I'm gonna do this here, I'm gonna do that there, I ended up hitting daily loss limit. I was so mad. Trying to follow. I'm like, what am I doing? Get back to, you know what you're doing, Brandon. Get back to your roots. I'm trying to follow these clowns.
Dude, all you got to do is look at their profits and they be up like $200 at the most at times. Like, dude, y'all can keep y'all $200. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I'm not saying there ain't nothing wrong with it, but
ain't nothing wrong with it.
We're better than that.
Yeah,
better than that.
You could have that.
No, okay. So this is a better way to say it, and this is what I mean. If you're trying to come up as a professional, I mean, I can, as a non-professional, can throw on 10 contracts and make $200. So if you're claiming to be a professional, well, shit, you should be doing better than me. If I can throw on 10 contracts and get 200.
Yeah. Hey, that double bottom held up. That double
Yeah,
bottom held up. Oh my gosh. Muhammad's, he did it again. He did it again. He's unstoppable. Man, hey, Muhammad, take Apex for all they money. Be the next person to take over $1 million from them, please. And then I'm gonna be right along with you, baby. Let's go. Let's bankrupt. They gonna be like, nah, y'all banned. We don't want your kind over here.
He said they gonna watch our streams. Like, okay, so Firm, Myth, his name's Mohammed. We're gonna ban them. They sign up with those names. We're banning them.
Yeah, anybody, you gonna have to create a whole new identity just to get back. New email, new identity, just to get back on Apex.
Everybody on the stream, let's look at the names. Ash, Maddie, Matt, JC, all these guys.
Alfred, nah, they all banned.
Banned. They're over here trying to make money. We want gamblers over here, baby.
They all collaborating, trying to make money together. No, we don't want that. We can't have that.
Dude, honestly, I'm surprised. Like, dude, I'm surprised that Apex don't. Well, I mean, they can't control it, but they can make a rule about it. I'm surprised they don't ban it and say, like, don't form trading communities and stuff and hit us up. Because just imagine, like, I'm just like, honestly, I'm surprised no one hasn't done it yet. Hasn't really just like set up a real trading community. It's like, yeah, let's hit these prop firms up. Let's really hit them up.
Let's do it here, baby. Why not? Let's hit.
I mean, yeah, we're gonna do it. But I'm just saying, I'm surprised that if it's not being done, I'll be surprised. Let's hit these prop firms up. Let's hit them up, baby.
Yeah, they do. That's real. We joke about it, but that's Apex has banned some people. Live, my man Live Trading. He's not. I don't think he's in here right now, but he usually stops by the stream every once in a while. But he's been trading with them for almost a year, and he said he took about 178K of payouts. I'm surprised. He said he thinks they have like a cap of around like 400K in payout. Like once you start getting around there, they'll start to ban you. But there's other ways of getting around that. You know what I mean? Like I think Live Mike, I think he's trying to getting around that.
I mean, it's easy. All you gotta do is have somebody else's name in the account
Yeah.
and take your own trades. I mean,
Yeah.
you can't stop it.
Yeah. So but he took them. So what happened was he had the 20 accounts, I believe, like mostly 50Ks, a couple 150Ks. He ran up the balances, and then he took them from each account, took out a total of like 1.2 mil. I think he hit them up like all at once. And so what could they do? If they wouldn't pay him, then that's the biggest story in futures prop firm history. Oh, they didn't pay me my 1 mil. I don't know. I'm not sure if he was taking payouts like along the way. Maybe a little bit. I mean, I don't know for sure. I'm sure he would, but once he had all his collective, he hit him up. Yeah, he hit him up.
It would have been foolish on Apex's part if they weren't, because I know they got an algorithm that tracks the duration of an account, your win to loss ratio, and how consistent are you. Then that's simple. You can create an algorithm to do that. I'm surprised at it and look at his account, see that he makes consistent trades, and copy it. Just in preparation that he's gonna take a payout.
Right. A big Funded Prop says he's been told by someone in the know that they will only pay the notional value of each account, i.e., 50K on the 50K account. Wow, that is trash. That is super trash if that's true.
So you're saying that they will only pay, so if he bought a 50K, he can't get more than a 50K payout?
That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah. Wow.
Well,
I mean,
at least that man got paid. He got paid.
Yeah, he got his money. He showed his bank account. He's like, "Thank you, Top Step."
Or Apex.
Yeah, Apex. My bad. Thank you, Apex. He's like, "They're the greatest ever." I bet you would be saying that. You had $1 million hit your bank account. I'd be saying that too.
I know. Oh, I know Apex was punching the air.
They was like, why did we?
You gotta get that back.
They say they copy trade, but they have that in their thing. But why would, I mean, it would make, if they didn't see, like you said, like your previous statement, he's making consistent profits. Why wouldn't you copy that? Why wouldn't you?
Yep. Because I mean, at a certain point, dude, it's like, I mean, it all ties into each other. It's all the same thing. You get those targets. You keep getting them subscriptions. It's like, dude, I don't have to copy nobody. All I gotta do is get these motherfuckers to keep buying resets, buying evols, paying for the monthly subscription. Like their payout. I mean, dude, they make enough for that. Their payout structure. I mean, they cap it to where you can only take 2K, or depending on your account size.
Yeah.
So if you're a real trader, you're gonna buy the 20 accounts. They discount the account, so where it's easier for you to maintain or buy the 20 accounts. And then if you pay for the lifetime license, it's already 4 months in advance.
Yeah.
Like the life of the account, they said that at the 4 months you can take out the full amount.
Yeah.
Well, the lifetime license, if you buy the reoccurring payment, okay, so you're paying it month to month. If you buy the lifetime, it's already 4 months in advance. They know that if you reach the 4 months, you're gonna take everything out. They're not stupid. And if you pay the 4 months in advance on 20 accounts, dude, they made their money. They made so much money on one trader. They're like, damn, I got one trader to pay all this.
Yeah.
Oh, I can get somebody else to pay that. So I mean, it gets to the point where, man, popping them trades, it's not even lucrative. It's more lucrative to get more people to pay for the 20 accounts.
I mean, yeah, but they should add that to a part of their business structure. Like they already got that part down. The recess, everything you just mentioned. But why not copy the good traders that are making consistent profit? That way,
It takes too much.
in case you get all it takes is a copy trader on the back end.
You gotta maintain the servers,
Yeah, I mean,
and then they're trading on the live. Yeah.
They never
makes
take
sense to
anybody
do it.
into a live account. We know that. We already heard it. Oh shoot, Muhammad.
No, I'm
hey.
talking about for their account.
Oh yeah, for their account. Yeah, they are trading alive. Yeah, their fills and stuff might be a little different.
Mm-hmm.
Their fills and exits might be a little bit different. But yeah, what was I about to say? I mean, you got a consistently good trader that you're tracking in your company. There's the unknown part because you never know what they would do, right? Like one day, like me, how I just went full tilt that day and lost it all. So there's that unknown, the unknown, if you will. So
I know how as human beings don't like uncertainty.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, so I mean, dude, it's just easier to get people to pay for 20 accounts. And then when you get to the funded side, that's why me personally, based on my trading style, that's why I stick with Top Step because I'm not being punished from the drawdown. I'll eat the drawdown every day if it misses my target. I will eat it every day. It don't make sense afterwards when I think about it, but in the moment, man, let that target hit. I feel vindicated, even if it's no matter how foolish it is, as long as my target hits, baby. That's all that matters. Even if I ate 20 points of drawdown, my target hit. And it's foolish, but in the moment, I'll do it. And so, yeah, that's why I stick with Top Step. So I don't get punished for not taking profits. But when I get to Apex, I start to go. So I got all this power. I got 35 contracts at my disposal. I got 7K of drawdown. Man, let's get this money, baby. Let's get this money, baby.
Yeah. He said Apex sells accounts like lotto tickets. Like, here you go. Yeah. That's what it is. It's the casino, baby. But all right. I'm surprised my risk manager ain't come in yet. I gotta go, guys. Everybody have a great weekend. It's been fun trading and hanging out with y'all and conversating with y'all. Yeah. Y'all are a cool group here we got. Let's really do that though. Let's build this community and go after these prop firms. Let's do it. Why not? Let's have all of us get banned from every prop firm. Take them for all their money. Shoot. But yeah, I got nothing right now. Just have a great. If you still gonna trade safe, stay green. I don't know, Sherm, if you got anything.
Oh no. Well, I still got this short going on.
Trader. Oh, you just got here. I'm about to sign off, bro. I gotta go. Gotta go relax.
Nah.
Hang with the fam.
I don't got nothing. I think this continues to go lower, especially if it breaks these equal lows, man. I think we go lower.
So you go lower?
I don't think yeah, looking at I'm looking at ES, my bad. Let me go to the true and true. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think so. I mean, we swept them highs. Yeah, I think we go lower. But we could just consolidate I mean, we got Monday's a holiday, but I don't think it's one of those holidays where the banks are closed. I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, we
MLK
got
Day.
Martin Luther King. Yeah, we got Martin Luther holiday coming up. So I probably, yeah, I'm not gonna be trading that. I don't think I'm staying out of that. You gonna trade? I know Sherm gonna trade it. No, that's not even a question. That's not
Yeah,
even
we'll
a
see what the
question.
volume's going to be like. I mean, we'll see. I mean, if the banks are closed, you already know it's going to be retail. You know how that goes. I was going to
Yeah,
grind it's going to grind on one side, but it's going to
yeah,
grind. But I mean, Veterans Day and all the other holidays, man, it's been ripping, dude. It's like it's been very lucrative trading the holidays, especially Thanksgiving was really good.
oh yeah, Veterans Day.
Veterans Day was really good.
Veterans Day was
July
awesome.
4th was really good.
Yeah,
We'll
yeah.
see. You know, I'm gonna trade it, man. I'm gonna get a brand new account. Like I said, I passed my XFA today. Get a brand new account to track, and once I pass this one, then we're gonna go to the XFAs and run these accounts up and run Top Step up.
Let's do it.
But with this one, I'm gonna be a little bit different with this one. I'm gonna try to trade with the trend this time and see how that works out with me. But that's gonna be the goal for this account, trading with the trend.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be a challenge, but I'm gonna do it. We're gonna get over it. But that's all I have, man.
All right, y'all. Like I said, if you're new, like, comment, subscribe. Go check out Sherm's channel, NASDAQ Anonymous. He's gonna do his daily recap. I'm gonna do my weekly recap for this week a little bit later. And yeah. Yeah, that's all I got. Everybody stay green, stay profitable, and as always, peace.
Peace.